Are we live? Yeah, I think we are live. Yeah, I think we are live. Yeah, just a sec. All right, everyone. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining the stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using MERN stack and Typescript. So if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel, and let's get started. Just a sec. Hello, Push. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? There we go. Hello, Shubhadeep. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Thanks for joining. Sunil Tariq. Hello, sir. Hello, Sunil. Welcome back to my stream. Okay, just a sec. Did I pin this? Okay. All right. Let's come here. Yeah, Sunil. After a long time. Sigma Men. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Fine. So the first thing is I need to start my Reddit. Command prompt. Command. Before this, I need to start my Docker engine. Shivam Shinde. Hello, Shivam. Welcome to my stream. Okay. Docker engine starting. सुनील तारिक सर पहले मेरा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दे या सुनील आस्क योर क्वेश्चन docker ps-a docker start redis server, then docker ps. Okay, docker is up and running. सुनील तारिक Redux हम क्यों यूज करते हैं Sigma man till now update on the project. Sigma man, we have completed most of the features. Now I'm fixing the bugs. सुनील तारिक हम Redux क्यों यूज करते हैं? Okay. See Sunil, Redux हम क्या करते हैं? Why we use Redux is that basically in our application we have different props. Like this is our application. Then for example we have a login form. This is a login form. Then maybe we have a login button, right? So if for example if you log in and you get the user info in your login page, this is your login page, right? This is your login page, and now here you got the user info, and now in your login form you need to send, for example this is normal form, any component, you need to pass this user info to this component, right? And again if you need that info in this button, right, then again you have to pass this user info from the this component to the button, right? So we are having see so much prop drilling, like to reach this information to the button component, see we have to pass it through this component, then this it reaches the button component, right? So to solve this issue what we do is that we create a general store. Maybe this can, you can think of this like a your general store that you have near your house where you buy a soap, chips packet and all those things, right? So what we do is that we create a general store, and for example instead of storing this user information in the login page, we store this user information in the store, right? Now for example if this button needs that user information, button can directly ask the store it can directly ask the store. So all of this is not required. So this is why we use Redux. सुनील, और लॉगिन के बाद दोबारा उसकी पेज पर किस तरह आए? See, after you have to use a concept of Redux persist. Okay, just a sec guys, I'll drink water. सुनील तारिक मीन्स अगर हम नई चेकआउट पे क्लिक किए तो हम लॉगिन के बाद पर आगे, बट कब हम लॉगिन करें तो उसको पेज पे जाना चाहिए. सी आफ्टर लॉगिन you store that login information. Basically after login is done, right, you get the user information, then you store this user information in the store, and then after this redirect the user to a new page, like for example this can be a dashboard page, right, and to check the user is logged in or not, when this page is mounted, you can ask the store. That's it. Okay. Moose Vibe Official. Yo, how are you? Moose Vibe Official, welcome back to my stream, brother. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? मिस्टर रवि सिंह, हेलो मिस्टर रवि सिंह, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. जावास्क्रिप्ट कहाँ से सीखे? जावास्क्रिप्ट मैंने तो यूट्यूब से सीखा था. ओके, तो आप भी यूट्यूब से सीख सकते हो. क्लियर सी डी फ्रंट एंड एन पी एम रन डेव एंड दिस कैन बी सी डी. ओके, दिस इज सी डी बैक एंड npm run dev. Fine, backend is running. Okay, now let's come here, localhost. Okay, page is okay. Now let's create another incognito mode, localhost 5173. Fine, let's come here, let's login test user 2, test user 2. Sunil Tari. Okay, fine. This is my test user 1 2, and this can be test user 5, and this can be test user 5. Login test user 5. All right. Just a sec. Test user 8. Test it. Okay, let's log out and make it test user 8. Test user 8. Test user 8. Login. This is done. I'll just check if this like and okay, fine. Hold on. We get this unlike test user 5. There we go. This we got. Now if I like it here, like this, was someone liked it. Okay. Okay, so this is here. Now there are few bugs. What are the main bugs? So basically, for example, if I want to text this user, I'll come here, I'll message hello. If I send this, now if I come here, see I have not received the hello notification. Basically if I refresh, then I'll get this test user 5. Tyler, how are you so much consistent? Tyler, like I like to be consistent. I don't stop unless and until when I say something, I'll do it. I do it unless and until it's an emergency. I'll show up for it. That's it. Okay. Now if I come here, nice DP. If I send this here, what do I get? Okay, fine. We need to fix this issue first. Chat GPT. Front end src, backend src. Mr. Ravi Singh, please YouTube channel name JavaScript सीखने के लिए. Mr. Ravi Singh, there's a channel called Chai or Code. You can learn JavaScript from there. Karthus Gaming, hello Karthus, welcome to my stream. Welcome to my stream. Karthus, where to start? Start with JavaScript. I'll suggest. Jewel Manual, what's your thought on dopamine detox? I have read this book. Actually, I'll show you. Hold on. I have this book. Basically, you can read this book called Dopamine Detox. Like it's a really good book. It's about how you can reset your dopamine. Fine. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is my backend code. Karthus Gaming. How many hours a day should I do? Give at least 2 or 3 hours every single day. This is my backend code. Basically, what is happening here is that conversation. Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Controllers. Chat controller. Chat dot controller dot ts. Fine. Then routes chat dot route chat dot route dot ts. Fine. Then after this, what should we do? This is done. Then I'll come to my app.ts. This is my app.ts. Then this is my index.ts. My index.ts. Fine. This is done. There's any socket left? Sockets. Utils. Fine. This is done. 333 coder. Hello 33 coder. Welcome to my stream. Can you recommend any channel for Python DSA? There's this channel called Chire Code. They actually have a Python DSA YouTube channel, a YouTube playlist. You can learn that from Chire Code YouTube channel, or else you can go to Neat Code. There's a YouTube channel called Neat Code. You can learn from there also. Index. This is done. Start server is done. Okay. This is my front end code. My front end code. In my front end, I have the app.tsx. App.tsx. This is done. Then this is the pages, components. Hold on. Components. फेरोनिक 7 बड़े भैया 2026 से पहले बन जाएगा ना जैन से देख रहा हूँ फेरोनिक्स लाइक दिस इज अ प्रोडक्शन ग्रेड एप्लीकेशन एंड यू नो लाइक आई एम अ सोलो डेवलपर सो इट विल टेक टाइम and you know the thing is that I will release it for people to use, and you know I cannot be lenient with it, so that's why it is taking time because I want to implement production grade code. So yeah, I'm trying my best to release it on time. Okay. सुप्रीत हेलो सुप्रीत वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम भाई कौन सा बैकएंड का फ्रेमवर्क बेस्ट है जावा का स्प्रिंग बूट या पाइथन का जैंगो एक्चुअली आई वर्कड विद बोथ सुप्रीत ओके योर मैसेज रिट्रैक्टेड ओके I have worked with both. See, Django is good. I don't like Spring Boot much. See, Spring Boot is very powerful, but there's too much, you know, configuration in Spring Boot. That's what I feel. So that's why, compared to if you are into choose one, I'll go for Django. But if you want performance, go for Spring Boot. Phoenix 7 joke part में था वर serious मत हो जाए Phoenix I was not serious I was just saying 33 coder are you in BTech fourth year 33 coder I have completed my BTech okay, so this is my app is done then this is my side chat bar chat bar dot tsx then pages where's my pages chat page dot tsx then components chat container dot tsx and one more thing I'll send the socket where's my socket for backend socket dot ts and this is my API okay hold on and this is my API okay fine there is a small bug when a new conversation there are two small bugs. अरे यार शिफ्ट टिपना भूल गया. 33 coder. How long has it been? I completed my BTech in 2023. Who cares you? भाई धीरे धीरे जस्ट 1% कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है जेएस में. एक क्वेश्चन जस्ट एडिशन कैलकुलेटर बनाने के बाद. सी जस्ट बिल्डिंग दिस स्मॉल एप्लीकेशन यू आर फीलिंग अ बिट कॉन्फिडेंट. इट्स ऑल अबाउट मेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. द मोर प्रोजेक्ट you make, the more, like, the better you get. That's what I'm trying to say. सुप्रीत भैया मैंने जावा किया हूँ, अभी करंटली बीटेक का सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ, कुछ गाइड कर दो. या सी सुप्रीत, यू हैव डन जावा, सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू दैट टू गो फॉर स्प्रिंग बूट. Don't try to learn 10 different frameworks. Choose one framework. I'll suggest you go for Spring Boot, and then just stick with it and learn how to build REST APIs. You learn Spring security, that is very important. Then learn file handling. You know, these are the main thing. And then after you learn these basic things, then you can start learning front end. Bug one: when a new conversation is created with a user, I need to refresh in order to see the new conversation in chat bar. Done. Bug 2: when initial I need to refresh to see the unread notification in chat bar. Okay. Who cares you? बस इवेंट्स का लूप के अंदर डालना है. बस इवेंट्स को लूप के अंदर अंदर डालना है या बाहर डालना है, वही थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है. जैसे वैर को लूप के बाहर या अंदर, आउटपुट को रिजल्ट्स के बाहर या अंदर. सी वैर हैज ग्लोबल स्कोप. वैर इवन इफ यू डिक्लेयर इनसाइड अ स्कोप, वैर हैज ग्लोबल स्कोप. सो यू शुड नॉट यूज वैर. गो फॉर लेट और कॉन्स्ट. सुप्रीत भैया मैं स्प्रिंग के साथ मैं कॉटलिन भी सीख सकता हूँ क्या एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट के लिए? हाँ, आप कॉटलिन सीख सकते हो, बट आई विल सजेस्ट यू गो फॉर क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म एप्लीकेशन लाइक रिएक्ट नेटिव और फ्लटर. चूज वन बिटवीन देम. Good, you are 90% correct. Both bugs come from one core missing socket IO room usage. You are emitting events to the wrong room, so the front end never receives the real time update. Okay. User, but so you okay, but a controller you emit index.ts, front end, backend, src, index.ts, user and the fine. So okay, code correct, but in your controller conversation updated wrong room. So no socket deficiency. Okay, but bug fix one. Conversation updated. Controllers, chat controller. Where is it? Conversation updated. For each participant, any context. For each participant ID, any io.2. Okay, got it. Conversation updated. Fine. Let's just comment this part. And if I come here, io.2 user participant ID dot to string dot emit conversation. Let's try this now. Send message current. Same issue code exists here. Scene. Mark scene. Okay, participant ID. This actually this one should be here. Remove this line here, uncomment this, and uncomment this. Who cares you? From this state, how much do you think I need to build a small application with some features? I will suggest that now you can. I think you have understood DOM manipulation. Now you can start learning React. Jewel manual. Hi bro, in my application that I created after long, the tokens is saving in cookies, but after I log in, it is not directed to home page. Like for example, Netflix, etc. But the cookie is stored for 7 days. See, basically in React, what happens? You're not storing the state, right? So in your app.jsx file, you need to call get current user. You need to get the token from the cookie, and then from your app.jsx, you need to call your backend API that checks if a user exists or not, user is logged in or not. So in your backend, you need to create a new endpoint like that takes the token, then finds the decoded token data, and then finds the user and sends that the user user is logged in. You have to do something like that. कुशाग्र श्रीवास्तव, ये प्रोजेक्ट कब तक कंप्लीट होगा? कुशाग्र श्रीवास्तव, आई थिंक मोर 1 week maybe. And this is done. Okay, copy this. Now is mark scene. Send message. Where is it? Hold on. Change this. Where to string the system? Send message. There we go. This was get or create conversation. Send message. This. Yes, send message. Fine, here also I need to do the same line. Send message. Mark scene. Yes, mark scene. No, mark scene. Instead of this, it should be this, and this should be commented. Fine. Now let's see what happens. Nice DP. Wow. I send this. Oh, wow. Thanks. How are you? Okay, yeah, this is working. How are you is working. How are you? I am good. Yeah, I'm good. Where have you been? Send this. fine. This is working. This is working absolutely fine. Okay. सुप्रीत भैया प्रोजेक्ट के आइडियाज कहाँ से लाऊं कुछ बता दो सुप्रीत सी योर गोल शुड बी टू बिल्ड नॉट जस्ट टू थिंक टू डेवलप प्रोजेक्ट्स think like building a product that people can use. That is the best way to build projects, real world projects that people would actually want to use it. And secondly, if you deploy it and show it in a resume, interviewer will get really impressed and would like to hire you. So try to think like a product developer. All right. Okay. Fine. So this is fixed. This is fixed. Now let's do one more thing. Just test user 5. Instead of test user 5, let's create chat with test user 1. Test user 1. Test user 1. Login here. Test user 1. Test user 1. Come here. Send message. Hello. Fine. I got hello. Hello. Email. I am good. Go here. I am good. Nice. This is working fine. Okay, this is done. That's all right. Let's remove this line. This is done. Test user 8. User 8. Thanks. Thanks. Come here. Aha. He's getting the notification also. Fine, this is fine. This is working correctly. Okay. So now if I like, okay, fine, there we go. And in my Redis front end, my backend src config Redis connected. Redis has been connected. Then after Redis, where is my index.ts? Redis connected. src controllers, src controller, chat controller, post controller, create post, fine, post is done. Redis hotel, okay. Then get all post phone cache key, okay. Redis.client get cache key. Okay, like, oh, okay, and like controller redis.n. Fine. Now if I come here, this is it. If I like this, but this is not getting updated. But now if I refresh, this will get updated. Okay. PSPS 4x1. Did you use Socket for live chat? Yes, PSP. I've used Socket for live chat. Subhadeep Maji. Are competitive exams like JEE are rat race? See, JE do give advantage. See, we have made it like a rat race, but competitive exam is, don't do it for that because everybody is doing it. Try to prepare for JE, but have an open mind. Like, understand the subject, understand physics. I used to love physics. Understand the subject, fall in love with the subject, and then prepare. Don't just do it for the exam. See, exam is just a way to understand, okay, am I able to solve the questions or not? Right. But I will say that try to prepare it because you like it, not because everybody is doing it. And see, India is a place where people are doing it for the rat race. Jewel manual. What state management you have used here, bro? Jewel, I have used Redux for the state management. 9 a.m. games. Every field is becoming a rat race nowadays. That is true, and this is very really sad. See, DSA it became a rat race. JEE mains it became a rat race. NEET exam it became a rat race. Getting a job has become a rat race. So yeah, okay. So this is done. This is done. Now let's focus on making this application responsive. Fine. All right. So today's goal is to make the application mobile responsive. Fine. New chat. Okay. Front end SRC pages. As my pages. We'll start with the register page. If I come here, see this looks like 12 Pro. It looks like this, but make it a little bit better. Fine. So register page, and here I have the register form. This is my code. Register page.tsx. Register form.tsx. Register form.tsx. Register page.tsx. Register page.tsx. Now make the UI and UX better while keeping the theme similar, and also make it mobile responsive. I have used Tailwind CSS. Let's go. That's why I love for front end I love AI. That is true. Okay. A good base already. You mainly need better visual hierarchy, spacing, focus state, and mobile first layout while keeping your dark purple theme. Okay, modern north layout. Okay, improvement on form. Okay, update register page, register form page. Okay, so this is my register page. This is my register page. Let's copy this. This is my register page. Hold on. Two times return once. This is my register page. Hold on. Yeah, this is looking better. Hold on. Okay, this is fine. Then register user form. Register user form. Just copy this. Register user form. Register user form. Instead of this form, let's have this form. Hold on. this is fine, but the input tags are weird and black text in black background in dark background looks bad, and the error messages should be read. 9 games even add a theme button that will make it light dark. Okay, or system default. See, I want to keep it dark only. I don't want light theme. I hate it. I want to keep it dark theme only. A new, okay, replace your input style. Placeholder, okay. Fix file input. Update input register form. Just use Tailwind CSS and give me the full code. And app.tsx, where's my app.tsx? By the way, this is my app.tsx. Okay, perfect. No global custom classes. Consistent, okay. My app.tsx. अंकित, हेलो अंकित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई आप स्टार्टअप पर्पस से बना रहे हैं एक प्रोजेक्ट फॉर पोर्टफोलियो। भाई आप स्टार्टअप पर्पस से बना रहे हैं या एक प्रोजेक्ट फॉर पोर्टफोलियो। दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज बेसिकली फॉर माय पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट, बट आई विल डिप्लॉय इट फॉर पीपल टू use it. Like my startup will be for SaaS, and I need skills for that. I need to improve my skills for that. So basically, this is just to improve my skills, but this will be an end-to-end project, and I will deploy it. Ping connect hub. Okay, this is fine. Dark mode toast. Let's try this app.tsx. Let's comment this, and let's use this body class name. Body class toast container. Hold on. What is the issue? Auth loading. I don't like this. Remove this. Remove the comment also. Let's just keep it like this. Now I'll fix this. Now if I come here, hold on. This is my register user page. Copy this from here to here. Registered user page. Register page. Copy it from here to here and add this. This is done. Register user page, okay, and here register user form. Just copy this from here to here. Return register user form from here to here. Copy it. What is the issue? Input base. Where am I getting this input base? Okay, let's see. Okay, this one, input error input base. I'll copy this on submit before returning. Add this. Now let's see. Now if I already have an account, don't have an account, okay. Hold on, but where's the submit button? Username, input, login button, register page, new chat. This is my register page dot tsx. Register page dot tsx. This is my register form dot tsx. Register form dot tsx. This is my app dot tsx. App dot tsx. The form is not. The form is too big. The form is too big, and when I get error, I should be able to scroll. When I get the error in input error in form, I should be able to scroll. Okay. 9 a.m. game, just because you want it dark, but look from the audience's lenses, Captain. Yeah, that is true. But if you see like all of this upcoming startups, they are going for dark theme by default. And maybe in future I'll add it. Piyush Meena, hello Piyush Meena, welcome to my stream. आप फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हो या मर्न स्टैक डेवलपर? पीयूष मीना, मैं फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हूँ, और एक अगर किसी को मर्न स्टैक आता है तो ही इज़ अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर. Vaibhav Sony, hello Vaibhav, welcome to my stream. Bro, can you please tell me what tech stack should I learn so that I can also build these kind of projects, and please tell me as a roadmap, like in a step by step way. See Vaibhav, I can give you a generalized roadmap that most of the people are following. Go with MERN stack, learn JavaScript, but it depends. Roadmap can change from person to person. So like I'll give you a rough overview. Like learn MERN stack, learn JavaScript, and build projects. सुप्रीत भैया, बहुत जगह सुना है कि प्रोजेक्ट में एआई इंटीग्रेट करो, इसका एक्चुअल मतलब क्या होता है? बेसिकली यूज एन ओपन एआई एलएलएम और जेमिनाई एलएलएम इन योर एप्लीकेशन. लाइक यू कैन टेक द इनपुट फ्रॉम योर फ्रंट एंड, get send the input to a backend, and then from a backend send the input to OpenAI LLM or Gemini LLM and get a response and show that response in the front end. That's it. Lokesh, hello Lokesh, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? 9 a.m. games. Yeah, that's true. Everybody is building in dark theme. Yeah, bro. Okay, the problem is not form itself, space container preventing scrolling. Why this happens? Okay. Okay. Best way. Okay, fix the page container. Replace this with min screen app.tsx, app.tsx, min screen with this. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, hold on. Let overflow hidden. Register page. Hold on. Min screen. Overflow hidden. Okay, it's talking about this one. Give me the full code. Register page full code. Form. Lokesh B. All good, buddy. What about you? Yeah, I'm good, Lokesh. Today we are making the application mobile responsive, and making the UI better. Vaibhav Sony, are you in college or doing a job? Vaibhav, I have completed my BTech and I'm not doing a job. I'm trying to build my own startup. Basically, in my register page, this is my register page. Copy it. return register page, register page, fine. Then register user form, register user form, copy it from here till register return, then copy till here. Yes. Register user form, copy it from here to this is done. Let's see. I want maximum. Let's remove this, then see what happens. Hold on. Hold on. This. But see, I don't want it like this. Okay, minimum height screen. Remove this. Anything changes? Nothing changes. Width full. Anything changes? Nothing changes. Index.css. Anything there? By the way, this is my index.css. Kishore, hello Kishore, welcome back to my stream. Hey, what about AI written SaaS product and what about no code, low code products? Yeah, see, if you can build those things, then that is good. But it can be it can get difficult to build a SaaS entirely from no code products. Akashdeep, hey, how are you, bro? Hello, Akashdeep, welcome back to my stream. I am good, brother. How are you? Okay, the problem not React. No. But I can do it manually also. Just comment this one out. Let's see. Now this is fine. Give me the. See, this is my code. This is my code. Register page. Register page dot tsx. Register form. Register form dot tsx. App dot tsx. App dot tsx. This is my index.css. Import this also. UI is nice, but I don't nice, but make the form in such a way that I don't need to scroll, and only I need to scroll. I don't need to scroll, and all the content should be visible without scrolling. You don't want to scroll at all. You want the entire in a viewport. Okay. Solution viewport fitting auth layout. Register page layout. You should center vertically. Register page.tsx. Okay. Kishore, hi Abhishek. Hi Kishore, welcome back to my stream. JB here. Hello JB, welcome back to my stream. Which tech stack are you using for this app? I'm using MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. सामिक हेलो सामिक वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. ये हेडफोन कौन से हैं एंड कंप्यूटर स्पेक्स क्या है आपके? ये हेडफोन्स ए एन टी ई स्पोर्ट्स के हैं एंड लैपटॉप कन्फिग इज 16 GB रैम कोर i5 एंड द नेम ऑफ द लैपटॉप इज एच पी लैपटॉप 15X. कृतिका शर्मा भाई गिटहब में कोड कैसे डालूं? सी कृतिका, first you need to install git in your system, then you need to configure your username and gmail in the git configuration. Then for whatever project you want to upload in the git, inside that project do git in it, then git add space dash, and you need to go to github and create a repository. There you will get the steps. Kishore, what about AI? Many says AI can build everything. I'm completely noob, but have interest to be entrepreneur, and I fearing to start whether it would work out. See, Kishore, before you start building with AI, I would suggest you that at least you learn one tech stack properly. Like you can start with MERN stack, so learn MERN stack basics of MERN stack, then you go for AI coding agents. Then you will understand the code and you can fix the bugs also. वैभव सोनी, ब्रो फ्रंट एंड के लिए क्या पढ़ना है और रिस्पॉन्सिव करने के लिए सी एस एस सही है या टेलविंड सी एस एस? सी वैभव, फ्रंट एंड फॉर फ्रंट एंड यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड एच टी एम एल सी एस एस बेसिक्स लाइक वाटर फ्लेक्स बॉक्स, वाटर ग्रिड, हाउ टू सेंटर अ div and all those things, and then you can go for tailwind css. GS, hello GS, welcome to my stream. 9 a.m games, even he's building it from AI. Yeah, 9 a.m games, like the thing is that only for the debugging part and UI part I'm using AI. Lokesh, Claude AI bhi use karo bro. Lokesh, see, Claude is very good, so when GPT cannot solve anything, then I go to Claude. Claude is like my hukum ka ikka. Kishore, does AI going to take developer job? Kishore, see, AI will reduce the developer job. It is true, but if you are skilled enough, then you will get a job. Akashdeep, AI can build, but AI is overconfident. Okay, here's my register page. Register page. Okay, make this register page. Hold on. What is the issue? Seriously, copy it from here to here just to return. Paste it here. This is my return. I change this. Okay, reduce input padding. Prevent errors. This is fine. Current up. Create an account. Username at least must be 3 characters. Hold on. But this is looking too clogged up. Just okay. Maybe I can reduce register user form. This is my register user form. Hold on. This is my register user form. Hold on. Label. Class name. Input base border text array px4 py2. py2 looks better. Okay, px2, px4, make it px2 as well. px2, fine. This is done. Then input focus, nothing changes. Border red. Okay, then there we go. Then this is my form. This is my div class text array mb1. Then block username label flex gap of not 4, gap of 2. What happens? Yeah, this looks better. This looks much better. Create an account. Okay, fine. And this my app.tsx. Any changes here? No changes here. Okay, my index.css. Hold on. If I just comment this and if I uncomment this, anything changes? Anything changes here? Nothing changes. Create an account. Fine. Okay, this looks good. And let's go to already have an account page. Okay, fine. This is exactly what I need. Now I can just move this. Hold on. is the issue? Just remove all this thing. All this, I already have an account. Yeah, this looks better. And create your account. You know, he said he's in fear. That's why I say, yeah, true. ओके 9 AM गेम्स अंडरस्टूड यश राठौड़ ब्रो एआई एक कॉम्प में सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूँ एक कंपनी में किस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट बनाऊँ जो रेज्यूमे में मेरी स्किल शोकेस करे यश राठौड़ आई विल सजेस्ट दैट फर्स्ट फुल स्टैक एप्लीकेशन using any tech stack that you're comfortable in, then integrate AI because AI people are looking for, a company are looking for people who can work with AI. Then I will suggest that you go for a AI application like AI micro SaaS or AI email generator where you can log in and all those things can happen. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. Sure. Okay. Fine. Yup. Okay. GS. Bro, what you are using to fetching API from backend is that TanStack query or simple use effect? I'm using simple use effect. GS. I'm using use effect. 9 games. I join random streams. This is the only stream I'm consistently following. Oh, thanks 9 games. Thanks for following the stream and I hope you're enjoying my stream. Yes, Rathod. Bro, एक कंपनी में सॉफ्टवेयर ओके आई टोल्ड यू लाइक बिल्ड एन एआई SaaS or maybe AI email writing application, something like that. Study Peak. Hello, Study Peak. Welcome to my stream. Hello, bro. I have so much time. So tell me the full data science and Gen AI roadmap. See, first is that you learn Python properly. Then, and after that, if you want to go into data science and all those AI, go with learn NumPy, Pandas, right? What learn Seaborn, all those machine learning and deep learning libraries. Learn TensorFlow or PyTorch. Choose one. Then learn the basics of machine learning, deep learning. Try to build those models on your own. Understand regression, classification models, supervised, unsupervised learning. Understand those things. Then, when you go into deep learning, understand neural networks. Then, what are CNNs? What are RNNs? What are ANNs? Understand those. Then, understand what are transformers. Then, try to build those on your own. Yes, Rathod. Okay, thanks, bro. Welcome, yes, Rathod. 9 AM games. 9 games. योर माइक्स डिस्टॉर्टिंग कैप्टन ऊपर देख के रिस्पॉन्स दो ओके अभी अभी सुनाई दे रहा है ठीक से गाइस डू लेट मी नो फाइन ओके क्लोज दिस क्लोज दिस क्लोज दिस क्लोज दिस क्लोज दिस ओके दिस is my code front end src okay wait maybe just to create an account hold on now if I go to src pages register page and components register page components register page components where is it auth page components and register user form fine then I can go to pages login page then login user form here instead of this we can make the same thing let's copy this thing here let's copy this login page in login page we'll paste it here and this will be let's comment this for now let's see how it looks connect hub okay hold on not this key comment this part and then paste these and comment this and here instead of welcome to connect hub welcome where is it connect hub okay fine create login to your account you log into your account and this will be login user form this is my login user form here let's make this register user form. Okay, this is looking a bit like that, username or email and password. Okay, here and here. Okay, study peak, Gen AI roadmap. See, for Gen AI, you can start with fast API, because so that you can build REST APIs, and then learn how to integrate AI APIs in your backend. 9 AM games. Yep. Spy controller. Hello, spy controller. Welcome to my stream. Do you do freelancing or do you have a job? Spy controller. I don't have a job. I do freelancing, and currently I'm trying to build my own startup. Spy controller. Ramadan Kareem, bro. Spy controller. आपको भी like Ramadan. Happy Ramadan. Ramzan, Joga Bonito. Hey, like I said that day, I somehow managed to understand the concept but struggling to implement when I'm actually coding in React. What to do? Basically, you need to build small application. Like, for example, pick one task. I'm giving you a task, do that. Build a responsive navbar, just a navbar, basic a navbar. You can build something like this, like a navbar here. You can get the logo here, this logo, some buttons here, and this should be mobile responsive. Just build that. Okay. Kishore, I need to be confident, bro, to start. See, just start, and with time you will become confident. Yes, Rathod, bro, what is your Instagram account and WhatsApp group or channel? See, my Instagram account link is in the description of this YouTube video, YouTube stream, and okay, I'll show you the Instagram here only. Okay, this is my Instagram profile. Hello underscore Abhishek Sharma. You can follow me here, or you can check the link in the description of this stream. And right now, I don't have any group or channel, so yeah, done this here. Now let's make the input like this. Fine. Okay. Input form, login user form, login user form, login user form, register user form. Before this, let's copy this thing. Login user form. Copy this, and let's put register user form. Let's put one input here. Flex code register user form. Text sm. Flex code. Gap of 3. Gap of 3. Yeah, all it is text sm. Flex code. Flex border. Make it border also. Gap of 2. It was gap of 2. Flex call. Gap 2. Remove border. Remove border. And for one input, copy this and copy this. For one input, copy this entire thing and keep it here. Just make this comment part, and here add this. Instead of using it to identify, errors dot identifier. Okay, hold on. Errors dot username. Errors dot identifier here. Login. Fine, this is fine. Okay, this looks better. And same for password section. Okay, now here also for input, just copy this part, and here also paste this. It should be enter your password. It should be enter your password. This should be password. This should be password. This should be password. Fine. Have an account. Already have an account. Login. Create an account. button also. So the login button, this is my login button. Register user form, this is my button. Where's my button? Login button, this button. Just copy it and come here for this button. Just paste it here, and this should be login. This should be login and don't have an account already. And there should be class name should be cursor pointer. It should be cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Here also it should be cursor pointer. Here should be cursor pointer. This is done. Fine. Alright. Now let's see if this is working or not. This is mobile responsive. Yes. Already have an account. This looks better. Okay. Kishore, bro, can you tell what makes you to be founder and have you worked before? Kishore, yes, I have worked in a company before, but I wanted to build something of my own because I don't know, I just like to build and I like to learn new things. So I thought, why not try to build something valuable that other people can use, because see, for me time is limited. We live for 80 years maybe, or 84 if you're very healthy, right? And why to do something that you don't enjoy for the rest 50 years of your life? If you can take risk now, like I'm not married, I don't have kids, so why not take risk and try to do something that I actually enjoy? So that's my thought process. Joga Bonito, I can create components. When time comes to sum it up, then in an app folder it fails. Basically, don't try to make responsive components now. Just make simple components and then try to create. If you are able to build components, Joga Bonito, then try to build a page, simple page. For example, first build a navbar. If you build a navbar with this thing, if you are able to do this, then the second thing should be try to create cards here, simple cards that will appear in like these grids, right? Then each card can have button, something like that, and then you can show an image here and then try to create a footer. For now, just try to build this using React. uh, Kishore, I need to know just your thought process. Yeah, that's my thought process, Kishore. I want to build something and I want to do something that I enjoy. Yeah, yes, Rathod. Make can you make input component? Bro, you can make input a component. Yeah, I can do that. But see, there are different types of component. Yeah, obviously that is the better approach, to make input a component. But just for two forms, like it's too much work, I think. Yes, Rathod. Bro, you can make, okay, fine, 9 games. Kishore, his side chick broke his heart, so he decided to left the company. 9 games, bro, you're too funny, man. Yes, Rathod. Bro, can I suggest some things to you? Yeah, yes, Rathod, you can suggest anything. Okay. Supreme DS, yo, bro, what's up? Hello, Supreme DS. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Today I'm trying to, refactor the front end, just make the UI a bit better. 9 games. Yeah, yes, Rathod. Bro, you can create a common input component for a project which contains labels, input error messages, and with one blur and label classes, input fields, and you can make it more dynamic. Okay, yeah. 9 games. That's a very good suggestion, Yash Rathod. 9 games. Bro, he was dating 4 baddies at a time, but she was his fave one. Saw her talking to another guy and sad story. Yeah, in which company have you worked? Kishore, I cannot name the company right now. Like after 1 or 2 years, I'll name the company, but not right now. Yes, Rathod. I have make one and use every auth form or anywhere I want to use. Oh, that's great. Aman Kohli. Hi, Aman. Welcome back to my stream. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright now. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Aman Kohli, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Mohammed, brother, one question था कि जावास्क्रिप्ट पर कितना टाइम डू और उसके बाद डायरेक्ट रिएक्ट करूँ या बैकएंड करूँ. सी जावास्क्रिप्ट को एटलीस्ट एक महीने दो. गिव 1 month to JavaScript, and in that 1 month, implement whatever you learn, like code every single day. And after 1 month, I will suggest that you start React. Kishore, I want to be like you, but I do not know anything. What I can do work or learn build things. Kishore, see, you should start learning. Like I will suggest you don't know anything, then you start MERN stack. There's a stack called MERN stack. Go to YouTube, search how to learn MERN stack or MERN stack basic tutorials. Follow the tutorial, code along with it, and then try to build projects on your own. Programming Wala, hello Programming Wala, welcome to my stream. Joker Phoenix, hello world, hello Joker Phoenix, welcome back to my stream. Programming Wala, which API client is your favorite, Postman या कोई और? मैं हमेशा Postman ही यूज़ करता हूँ, मैंने कुछ और यूज़ किया नहीं है. Jyotirmay, hello Jyotirmay, welcome to my stream. By which code use and where? I'm using VS Code. If you're asking about code editor, 9am game. Sorry Cap, people needed a plot twist. Nice one. Rahul Sharma, okay. Ayush Suman, hi Abhishek, how is it going? Hello Ayush, welcome back to my stream. It is going fine. How are you? Rahul Sharma, how much time to take learn Spring Boot? See, Spring Boot is a vast backend framework. It will take at least 3 to 4 months to learn Spring Boot properly. Deepak Kantpal, hi bro, hi Deepak Kantpal, welcome back to my stream. Aman Kohli 69, इमोशन हो गया था मैं कल मॉकिंग बर्ड सुनकर. एमिनेम का सॉन्ग आया. या आई हैव हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग. इट्स अ नाइस सॉन्ग. लेट्स सी, लेट्स ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ यूजर. टेस्ट यूजर 16. Create an account. Okay, test user 16. Okay, invariant. Okay, test user 16 @gmail.com. test user 1. Okay, create an account. Invalid username. Okay, fine. Then okay, I can make it 16. Let's add a profile pic. Let's add this profile pic. Let's create an account. Create account. Loading 1 2 3 4 5 6. With this email I already exist. Okay, let's see. MongoDB Compass. What is the issue? Okay. Kishore, still it is a good time to build SaaS product in AI era. Yeah, it is true. It is a good idea to build SaaS. Supreme DS, bro, I suggest you to use Kiro. If you know, you know. Okay, I'll try to use Kiro. What is Kiro? On social media users. Test user 16. Okay, it is 16. When was it created? At 17th Feb. Okay, fine. Let's make it 17 test user 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, account created successfully. Test user 17. I can come to the profile. Fine, this is fine. Okay, now if I log out, I can go to test user. Okay, test user 17. Test user 17. Inspect. This is my code. Okay, fine. Login. Okay, now let's make this responsive. Okay. Ayush Suman, I am doing fine. Thanks. Chasing an open source opportunity currently. If I get lucky, I might get the project. I have also been wondering if I should create runnable demos of my project for hiring. Yes, you should deploy your project and you should share the deployed link. Ayush Suman, Joga Bonito. Okay, I'll try, but let's say now I understand the concept. So should I jump on learning backend already, or should I stay on React till I learn it fully? If you understand the concept, then you can start learning backend. Kishore, it's much easier to build SaaS. it right thing now. See, SaaS, yeah, obviously, SaaS is about solving a problem and making people pay for your solution. Deepak Kantpal, bro, how to make a web application from scratch, the thinking and how to implement it to code. Okay, see, the thing is that if you want to build a web application, you first need to understand why you are making it. For example, if you are making an inventory management, right? Why? Because you want to manage an inventory through a web application, right? So first thing is that you need to understand the tech stack. What tech stack should you use? Understand the tech stack, choose a tech stack that you are comfortable in, right? Then before that, build the build the ER diagram for any web app that you create the ER diagram, like what should be my tables, like which table should I create, then what should be the relation between the tables or collections, right? This will help you to understand the application clearly, and then understand, first build the backend, then build the front end. That is my suggestion. Swamim Swamim Dubai. Hello Swamim, welcome to my stream. How are you? Ayush Suman. Also, have you ever thought of learning Go for backend or getting engaged in any open source work such as LXF, GSOC, etc.? No, I've never thought of learning Go. See, I believe in learning anything only when you need it. Right. So if I come across a situation where I need to learn Go, then I will learn Go. And till now, I have not contributed to any open source. So no. Study Peak. Suggest some great Genai projects for resume. You can create an email writing application. Rahul Sharma, your website not responsive. Yeah, today we are working on that only. We are trying to make this web application responsive. Joga Bonito, 9 a.m. Ask him doubts instead of making fun. He'll kick you. No, bro. Like I'm fine with it. Rahul Sharma, are you adding video call feature? Not now. In future, I'll add. Tiny Games, Joga Bonito, no way he's doing that. No, why will I kick? Like, people can have fun, enjoy, share knowledge. It's a people come join the stream to learn and have fun. Supreme DS, looking a lot of progress on your stream since I joined it. Congratulations, bro. You have nailed it. Thanks, Supreme DS. Thanks a lot, brother. Study Peak, what are your daily view? Who are your daily viewers? The 9am Games is my daily viewer. Supreme DS is my daily viewer. Then Joga Bonito joins daily. Rahul Sharma joins daily. Most of the chat are daily viewers. Kishore joins daily. Then Supreme DS, I told Kishore. Aman Kohli is a regular viewer. He joins daily. 9am Games joins daily. Then Joker Phoenix joins daily. There are so many people. So yeah, most of the people who see my stream are regular viewers. 9am Games. Trust me, I'm not bragging. But when I start following this guy, I had multiple doubts. You can ask him. I used to ask bundles of doubts every day. Yeah, guys, you can ask me doubts. Swami Dubey. I'm a second year student. I'm building a password manager software type of thing using SHA-256 algorithm, base 64 for backend and PySide 6 and PyQt for frontend. Oh, that's great, Swami Dubey. 9am Games. तो अभी almost मेरे doubts खत्म हैं हुए हैं तो मैं now I'm chilling only. Yeah, 9am Games, you can chill, guy. Like, there's no rush. You can take your time, enjoy, chill, have fun, crack jokes. I like these things. Ashish Mohanty. Hi, Ashish Mohanty. Welcome back to my stream. Joker Phoenix. I'm tired of making clone projects. Please suggest me some project ideas. Joker Phoenix, like, you can try to build your own e-commerce application, like your own. Don't watch any tutorial. Then you will get more ideas. Or you can try to build your own maybe video streaming service like Netflix, Supreme DS. I mean Amazon Prime. Supreme DS. You missed my previous comment, by the way. Supreme, which comment? Which one? Okay. Supreme DS. Yeah, I see. I told you about Kiro. Like, what is Kiro? Tell me. And thanks for praising Supreme DS. Like, like, yeah, from day one, if somebody sees my stream, and now we have almost completed this project. So yeah, it's a big achievement, I must say. And thanks for praising Supreme DS. Kushagar Srivastav. Hello, Kushagar. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Nine name games. Of course, cap. Bakchodi on. Okay, yeah, fine. Swami Dubey. My name is Swamim. Swarnim Dubey. Okay, Swarnim Dubey. Okay, Swarnim. Abhinav. What after React? Abhinav, I will suggest that after completing React, start backend. Yash Rathod. Bro, I have idea. Can you make it more clear for me? I will create a project where influencers or any social media user can make the post reel automate and where they can see analytics for their account. Yeah, that is a great idea. You can work on it. Guys, I'll just, drink water. Hold on. I'll come back. Okay. Joker Phoenix, thanks for the project suggestion. Welcome, Joker Phoenix. Joga Punito, you have created backend. How do you know how much data it will store? Basically, for simple applications, these free tools are fine. But when we deploy it on production, we have to use a cloud database. I'll be using MongoDB Atlas. There you have tiers you can choose. The limit will exceed when it goes to the masses. Yes, it will exceed, but when you use a cloud database, what happens when load increases? The size they automatically increase, and you can also configure it. Lokesh, hello Lokesh. So how much time it will take to complete this project, bro? I think more 1 week, maximum 1 or 2 weeks. All right, so this is done. Now let's make this. This is my code. This is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. We'll start with src pages, feed page, pages, src pages, 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 feed page. Fine, this is my feed page. Components, general, chat bar, navbar, sidebar, and okay, not spinner. Fine. And then feed page components, feed post. This is my code. Feed page.tsx, chat bar.tsx, navbar.tsx, sidebar.tsx, feed post.tsx, my app.tsx, app.tsx, and index.css. Where's my index.css? Index.css. Now make this entirely mobile responsive as well. Okay. Swarnim. I was thinking to make an automated EDA project later. Should I go for it? Yes, go for it. See, if your project is a success, people will use it. If it's a failure, if people don't use it, then the thing is that you can use it as a personal project and you can store it in a resume and people can see it, you can apply and you will get a job. Rahul Sharma, bro, are you alone or family? I live with my family. Lakshman Sharma. Hello Lakshman, welcome back to my stream. When we refresh everything in Facebook, it gives us new feed every time. Does they use recommendation system or what? How every time new feed with random content is shown? Lakshman, they use recommendation system. They have a proper recommendation, machine learning and deep learning, heavy deep learning, machine learning algorithms that shows you recommended contents. लोकेश भी यार हैदराबाद में बहुत गर्मी हो रही कोलकाता आ जाऊंगा थोड़ी टाइम या फाइन सी कोलकाता में भी गर्मी होने वाली है Joka Bonito. What's cloud? Can't you have your own cloud? See, cloud is basically see what is cloud is that this is your application and this is, for example, this is data center. This is AWS data center, right? AWS AWS data center. This is your application. Now your application will store data. You can also store data in your own database. Like you can store it in your own server. This is the entire server. This is server. This is server. Right. You can store data in your own server also. But as database is stored in the server, this makes the server very heavy because data. What is data? Data is basically storage. It will take space, right? Memory usage. So instead of storing the data in our own server, what we do is that we use AWS or any cloud service provider, AWS, Azure, anything. Then there you get an instance of database, and here you store the data of your application data, and when you need, you call it from here. So basically this saves money also because you don't need to maintain your own data center. Then it saves your memory also, right? So this is why we use this entire infrastructure is called cloud infrastructure. I hope this answers your doubt. I'm the champion. Namaste, bro. Namaste, I'm the champion. Lokesh B. Do you watch F1, bro? Thoda I watch. Like I know one, like Lewis Hamilton. I think I know his name. I'm the champion. CBSC to close to 1K subs. I'm the champion. Oh, yeah. See, I think, people similar to me are watching the stream. I'm connecting with people who are like me. So it's nice. Yeah, I know Lewis Hamilton. Yeah, I know this guy, Lewis Hamilton. Lokesh B, 9 a.m. Charles, okay. 9 a.m. games. Yeah, even he's tough one, Lokesh. Print hello world. Bro, কেমন আছো from Bangladesh? Yeah, আমি ভালো আছি। তুমি কেমন আছো? And thanks for joining the stream. Lakshman Sharma. Bro, will you start teaching any tech stack in future or beginners will complete job ready? Lakshman Sharma, like I have no plan of teaching like now because my goal is to build my own startup and SaaS. See, I can provide my consultation, like where I'll guide you, I'll provide you step by step process what you need to do and from where you can do it. I can do that, and I do that also. Like just a reminder, like if anybody needs my guidance, they can book a call with me. It's paid so that I get only serious people. So yeah, those who need my guidance, they can DM me on Instagram. But I have no plan of teaching in future also. Sasta Gaming, maybe in future I'll teach. I don't know. No comments. Sasta Gaming. Hello, Sasta Gaming. Welcome back to my stream. Akash Deep. Understand it like Google Drive or Microsoft Storage. True. Joga Bonito. Won't they charge for the storage? Yeah, obviously they charge. AWS, that's why AWS sends you the bill. Rahul Sharma. Bro, what are API, like REST API? What are their job? See, Rahul, I'll show you. For example, you go to a restaurant. This is a restaurant. This is a nice restaurant. You go with a girlfriend. Restaurant, this is your restaurant. You go there, then you see the menu, then you order a chicken salad. Then there's this kitchen. This is the kitchen, right? So when you go to a restaurant, who comes to you to take your order? A waiter comes, right? This is a waiter. This is the waiter. Then you give your order to the waiter. Then waiter goes to the kitchen and tells the order to the chef, right? to the chef. This is the chef. Then chef sends the your order through waiter, and you receive the order. Right? That's how it works. So basically, APIs are like waiter, and restaurant is the client. You go to the client, you tell what you need, then your waiter or the REST API takes that request and goes to the server and brings back the data to you. That's it. That's REST API. Abhishek Jha. Hello, Abhishek Jha. Welcome to my stream from Ahmedabad. Oh, that's nice. Lakshman Sharma. You are great, bro. Thank you for answering my question. Welcome, Lakshman. Abhishek Jha. Where do you reach in this development? Where do you reach in this development? Yeah, I have built the application. Almost all the applications are done. Now we are making this full stack responsive application, like mobile responsive. Fine. Okay. Joga Bonito 69. I can't imagine the charges, but you worked for the months. So from there, you get any idea how much they charge approximately. See, it depends on your application. Like if there's millions of users, then they will charge moderately. Like for AWS RDS, I got charged only 600 rupees a month when I did a project, Spring Boot project. I used AWS RDS, and then I got charged only 600 rupees. And the champion, how much you are focused on core CS? Yeah, see, core CS includes operating system, computer networks is very important. So because in web development also you understand HTTP client, WebRTC, socket programming, these are very important concepts. And OS is also important, and most important is database. Like if you do BTech or BSc, there will be a subject called DBMS. That is the most important subject in your BTech. 9am games, he has reached his peak. 9am, who has reached his peak? Joker Phoenix, what explanation of API, REST API? Oh, thanks. I hope you liked the explanation. All right, fine. Now let's get started. Rahul Sharma, thank you. Welcome, Rahul Sharma. Fix global slow. Okay. This kills mobile scrolling. Fine. Replace this with this. Okay. Fine. Step 2: create proper responsive layout. You desktop, G plus. Make navbar mobile friendly. Give me the full code. Swarnim Dubey, I'm currently studying that. Yeah, Swarnim, focus on DBMS, it is very important. 9am games. Peak, I have reached my peak. Like, what peak? I don't think I have reached my peak. My growth is still left. This is not my peak. Abhishek Jha, I don't believe I have reached my peak so early. Abhishek Jha, are you doing this full time? Yeah, Abhishek Jha, I'm trying to build my startup full time. Okay. For fix scroll index.css, new file components, layout, app layout. Okay, app layout, new file, mobile nav, general mobile nav, update sidebar. Okay, wait feed post. Can you give me the full copy paste ready code? Kishore, hi Abhishek, even go high, be easy to reach like this. Yeah, sure, Kishore. 9 games, every achiever says this line is a starter pack for achievers. Okay. Thanks, 9 games. Kishore, can you tell about your startup? What kind of startup you have built? See, my goal is to build an AI startup, a micro SaaS basically. I'll build that. Abhishek Jha, great work. Thanks, Abhishek Jha. I hope you're enjoying the stream. Fine. Hold on, there we go. Replace chat bar. Create new file. Mobile nav. Okay, mobile nav. Replace sidebar. Okay, replace navbar.tsx. There we go. Connect hub, searching. Okay. Library feed post. Replace section with this. Replace image. Replace video. Replace comment input wrapper. Update feed page. Wrap all protected page. App layout. Where is the app layout? Where is the app layout? Okay, fine. Let's do this. Let's go. Index.css. This is my index.css. I'll comment this. I'll come here, index.css. Then here I'll create a new file, layout components. Inside my front end src components, I'll create a new folder, layout. Here I'll create app layout, app layout.tsx, app layout. Hold on. Any issues? Yeah. Mobile nav. Okay, fine. App layout done. Create a new file. Components general mobile nav. Mobile nav.tsx. Mobile nav.tsx. Any issue? Okay, fine. App layout, and there we go. Here we'll get slash mobile nav done. Mobile nav done. Then step 4, sidebar. This is sidebar. Replace first div with first div. I'll copy this first div. This is, there we go. Comment this part for now. Comment it and paste this. Paste this. Any changes? Hold on. Something is changing. Okay. This first div. First div of chat bar. Copy this. I'll come to my chat bar. This is my chat bar. I'll come here. Okay, I'll come here, and this div, where is it? This is my div. I'll come here, I'll comment this one for now, and after this I'll add this div. Done. Any changes? Fine, no changes. If I come here, okay, this is looking a bit better. It is looking cool. Okay, this is cool. Chat bar, yes, nav bar. Okay, now replace nav bar. Navbar use effect. Okay, this navbar, I'll copy it from here. Copy this from here. This is my navbar. And if I come here, from here to here, I will paste this. Okay, any changes? No changes. MERN. Yeah, this is working fine. Now if I come here, if I click on this, any changes? Hold on. Any changes here? This is fine. This looks good. Okay, fine. This looks better. Hello everyone. Is this? This is here. But how does access it? Hold on. This is done. Navbar is done. Need feed post. Replaced section. Section in my feed post. I'll go to my feed post. Where's my feed post? Feed post. Replace section. Feed post. Comment this. Add this. Then image. Replace image. Replace image. Post dot image tag. Comment this and add this. Then for video, post dot video block. this video.url post.okay, comment this and this. Fine. Any issues here? Hello everyone. Okay, this is fine. Now if I come here, this looks a bit better. This looks a bit better. Okay. My name is Abhishek Sharma. Okay, fine. Where is it? Where is it? Abhishek Jha, all the best. Thank you, Abhishek Jha. Joker Phoenix, I suggest Claude AI for code generation. It's good in that. See, Claude is good, very good. I agree. I agree. Claude is good, but my goal is to save Claude only for complex tasks because I'm using the free version. So first I work on GPT. Then if GPT cannot solve, then I go to Claude. Lokesh B, my dream is make one feature which are doing now. Scraping is done. Okay, that's great. Lokesh, all the best. Kishore, every building portfolio project, SaaS product, still there is a space for new commerce like me, complete noob. See, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Whatever software exists, you can just make it better also. Then also you'll make money. Swarneem, I'll take a leave. It was nice to come today on stream and learn some bits. Bye. Surely coming tomorrow again. Sure, Swarneem. Thanks for joining the stream, brother. I hope you enjoyed it. Suraj, try Kimi K 2.5 Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, I'll try that. Kimi. Okay, what's Kimi? Kimi. Okay, it's something new, I think. Kimi K 2.5. Let's see. What is this Kimi? Visual coding meets agent swarm. Okay, ask anything. Okay, coding agent, Kimi. Alright, fine. Suraj, Kishore, start with easy then take a leap. True. डी धैर्य. डैम यार मेरे ऑनलाइन वाले सर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं उनके लिए रिस्पेक्ट. डी धैर्य कौन है तुम्हारे ऑनलाइन वाले सर? डी धैर्य नाइने गेम्स क्राई आ गया. ओके जोकर फिनिक्स हाय सूरज थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग आई विल चेक इट. ओके नाइने गेम्स ली मारना हैज़ मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस कंपेयर देयर. ओके डी धैर्य आज नॉर्मल से 7 व्यूअर्स ज़्यादा है. ओह थैंक्स. I hope you know, guys. If you're new to my stream, do consider subscribing. If you're enjoying the stream, Lokesh B film. Okay, Lokesh B man, this keyboard, like the sound of this keyboard is irritating. Like, let me know, Rahul Sharma. I think GPT is more friendly and for learning concept. Yeah. Okay, this is done. This is done. Hold on, this is done. Then replace comment input wrapper. Comment input wrapper. Comment input wrapper. Feed post. Comment feed post. Message circle. Comment input wrapper. Fine. Message length. Div. Okay. Okay. Can delete. Okay, comment input wrapper. Okay. This one. This div. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I can copy this and comment this, and after this I can put this. Any changes here? This looks here like this. Okay. Yeah, I like this post. Fine. This looks like this. Now if I come here, fine. This looks like this. Fine. This is okay. Then update feed page. Wrap layout. But did I create my app layout? Hold on, hold on. Did I create the app layout? App layout. Okay, I have created the app layout. Okay. Update feed page. Feed page. Feed page. Feed page. Feed page. Feed page. Feed post. App layout done. Mobile number done. Index.css. App.tsx. Feed post done. Sidebar done. Navbar done. Chatbar done. And in pages, src pages. Feed page. Feed page. And return just I'll comment this one for now, and here I'll come here. Now I'll not get anything. Okay, and here we can do app layout. Then I can copy this entire thing here. Copy copy this entire thing here and paste it. Find posts have layout. Hold on. Okay. Where am I getting post from? Where am I getting the post from? Hold on. Feed page. Posts. Mm-hmm. Post. I think it will be feed post. Feed posts maybe. If I come here. Okay. There we go. If I come here, going to the profile page. Fine. Home page. Home page. This looks like this, but search. Hold on. This is here. This is here. This is here. Hold on. Come here. Maybe here only I can do something. Home. This. Hold on. Hold on. This is done. Step 8. Step 9. Wrap all product pages. Example. Do the same from profile page. Profile page. Is it layout? Page content. Okay, fine. Let's go to profile page. Let's comment this. Let's do app layout here, and let's copy this. Let's put this here. Let's see any changes here. Yeah, this looks better, but okay, this looks better here. धैर्य आशु घाई 11th 12th नाम का चैनल है उनका. ओके लोकेश बी it's good man. Do ASMR. I like it. I'm saying my keyboard sucks. I can't type words. I don't know why. Okay. Thanks, Lokesh. Thanks for liking the keyboard. Akashdeep. I like this keyboard sound. Thanks, Akashdeep. 9am Games. He's pulling 24 viewers on our 1000 subs. Aura farming cap. Okay, thanks, 9am Games. Akashdeep. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Lokesh B. I love that keyboard sound. Thanks, Lokesh. Joker Phoenix. K, bro. Bye. I have to go now. See you tomorrow. Yeah, Joker Phoenix 05. Thanks for joining the stream, brother. Rahul MKD. Hello, bro. For deployment, what is the best for front end, back end, and both? See, for deployment, I go for Docker. I Dockerize my front end and back end, then I deploy it in a VPS. 9am Games, try Versal. Okay, 9am Games, mechanical keyboard. Yes, 9am Games, it's a mechanical keyboard. Rahul Sharma, keyboard name. It's Evo Fox. Keyboard name is Evo Fox. Okay. This is done. Now, if I come here, upload page. Okay. Fine, there we go. Final results. Post it, upload post page, edit post page. Fine, let's keep it like this now. And upload post page. Copy this. Just make it. This. Upload post container. Now if I come here, it should look like this. Upload page. The world is cruel. cruel. Post. The world is cruel. Fine. Test user 7. The world is cruel. Like this post. Now let's get one more user. New incognito window. Test local 173. This will be this is responsive. Yes. Test user 2. Test user 2. Okay. Test user 2. This is here. This is if I come here. Create here. I have someone like to post. This is working. Fine. Now there we go. And for edit post also, if I go to pin profile, post page. Let's add this in this container. Add this. Copy this. Copy this. Now let's see any changes. No changes. Okay, we'll fix this. Fine. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's keep this. Feed page, only app layout. Feed page, only app layout. Remove this, remove this, remove this. This is how it looks here. Why is this not? Okay, now if I come here, fine. Okay. Pravat, what if access expired in cookies? Can you still make API call? Did you handle the token refresh logic in Axios interceptors when API returned 401? Hold on. Yes, I have in my backend. I've implemented it. Shubham Rai, hello, bro. How are you? Hello, Shubham Rai. Welcome to my stream. I'm good, brother. How are you? Pathi Gaming YT. Hello, Pathi Gaming. Welcome to my stream. Deploy करोगे इस ऐप को? जी, yes, Pathi Gaming. I'll deploy this app. Sonic Gaming, bro. 1K कैसे सेलिब्रेट करोगे? आई डोंट नो, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है अभी तक. 1K होने वाले आई डोंट नो. लेट्स सी. सोचा नहीं है अभी तक. लाइव लाइव स्ट्रीम ही करेंगे और क्या. Hold on. This is fine. Okay, let's now just do this. Now upload post page, post detail page, login page, feed page, edit post page. Post page. This comment this. Then add here layout. Then edit post container. Copy this. Add this. Now if I come to the profile page, now if I click on this loading post, what happened? Hold on. Okay, test edit. What is the issue here? Hold on. Post content. Passing the content here. What happened here? Loading post. What happened here? Loading post. Hold on. See, let's comment this and let's uncomment this. Now if I come here, what is the issue here? Network. File test 17 post edit network. Loading post. I'm getting the post. Post edit. Hold on. Current user. Hold on. Post container. As if I get post. Your post. Okay. I made a mistake in my backend. Where's my backend? Backend routes. Yeah, routes. in my backend route, src routes post 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 dot route here, get post by id. Now if we refresh, now I should get the post. Hold on. Test user 17, test user 17. What happened here? Hold on. What is the issue here? Okay. Cyber Ultimate Drive. Which programmer are you? I'm a Monstack developer. And welcome to my stream, Cyber Ultimate Drive. Lokesh B7, Biryani Party. I yeah, Shayad. Coding Studio. Hi bro. Hello Coding Studio. Welcome to my stream. डी धैर्य. ओ वाओ, मैंने 10 दिन कहा था कि ये उससे पहले ही होने वाले हैं. ओके या साइबर अल्टीमेट ड्राइव. Make GTA 6. Make GTA 7. I hope I could. Shubham Rai, bro, I had deployed front end on Vercel, but where can I deploy backend? You can use Render or Railway. पाथी गेमिंग वाईटी. हेलो पाथी गेमिंग वाईटी. एक ही मॉनिटर में करने करना हो बढ़िया यार, में करे हो बढ़िया है या ये मैंने एक ही मॉनिटर यूज़ करता हूँ मैं. डी धैर्य 23rd लाइक. ओ थैंक्स डी धैर्य, थैंक्स फॉर लाइकिंग द स्ट्रीम. वोकिनो, यो हेलो वोकिनो, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. साइबर अल्टीमेट ड्राइव. हेलो साइबर अल्टीमेट ड्राइव. Weakest among the weeks. Are you in college? Weakest among the weeks. Welcome to my stream. I have completed my college. डी धैर्य भाई को गुस्सा आ रहा है शायद. डी धैर्य लाइक आई जस्ट गेट अ बिट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आई फिक्स दिस. आशीष चौहान. हाय ब्रो, मैं आज ही मूवी ऐप कंप्लीट किया. दैट्स ग्रेट आशीष चौहान एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. साइबर अल्टीमेट ड्राइव. ब्रो कैन यू हैक? नो आई कैन नॉट. Oh no my code. Hello, oh no my code. Welcome to my stream. Bro, I have started coding on stream. Since you stream every day, can you tell how many hours of watching do you have in last 1 year? See, I have not even completed 1 year. I started this YouTube channel in November and I started streaming on 17th January. So it's just 1 month for or of me streaming. Okay. Okay. Post ID. Get user post by ID. Post slash user slash. Now if I come here, what is the actual error? Can you think? Get user post by ID. Okay, hold on. Upload post page. Upload post container. Upload post page. If I come here, upload post page. Close, not here. Not here. Edit post page. Use params. Use params. Get user post by ID. Get user post by ID slash post ID. At slash post slash user slash post ID. Hold on. I'll come here. Hold on. Get user post by ID. A controller. Where's my controller? src backend. src controller. Post controller. Get all post for home. Get user posts. User posts. Username. Fine. Post and aggregate. Get user post by ID. Find one. Okay. Get user post by ID. Get post by ID. Get post by ID. Get post by ID. Get user post by ID. get user post by id, and post, you get user post by id, get user post by id, slash post id, slash post slash post id, get post by id. Fine. Get user posts slash user post get. Here we go. Hold on. Login. Test user 17 test user 17 login. Now get post by id, get post by id. If I add this and post, do this, post not found, or you're not the owner. Get user posts, test user 17. Let's copy this. I'll come here, posts slash post id, get user post by id. This I did this. Fine. If I come here, if I logged in here, log out here. Shubham Rai. Bro, can I deploy front end and back end on AWS? Yes, you can do that. D Dharya. You can deploy the front end on AWS S3 and back end on EC2. D Dharya. भाई को सारी मस्ती चाहिए. Okay, Pratham. How many years of experience you have? I have 1 year of working experience and 5 years of project development experience. Lokesh B. I know how to hack main script. Hidis हो खाली लिनक्स बहुत tools मेरे पास. Okay, that's nice, Lokesh. Vokinovo. Bro, I wanted to make appointment booking website, but don't know about backend in Python. Then learn about it. That's a very good idea. Appointment booking, it is very in demand. You can build that. Shubham Rai. Bro, I had not deployment idea of backend. You should go on YouTube and search about how to deploy backend, like whatever backend you're working on AWS EC2. Search that. डी धैर्य ब्रो, थोड़ा बदमोशी वाले गाने सुन लेता हूँ. डी धैर्य. उसके बाद सैड सॉन्ग सुनते सुनते इमेजिनरी ब्रेकअप के सपने देख के सो जाऊंगा. मैन आर सिंपल. नाइस. Sandesh Kolte. Hello Sandesh, welcome to my stream. Bro, try console log where you got blank page. You can get solution faster. Yeah, I'll try that. Lokesh B. Chalo, got to go. Bye. Bro, see you tomorrow. Drink water and have a good stream. Thanks, Lokesh B. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining the stream, brother. I hope you enjoy it. Test user 2 17. Test user 17. Log in here. This profile. I got this post. Hold on. I'll come here. Console. So basically here, post API, post by ID, get user post by ID. Hold on, I'll just do one more thing. Search post, then get post by ID, duplicate. Get post by ID, and this will be, rename it to get user post by ID, and this will be rename get post by ID. Fine. Search post, close this, save changes, close this. Log in here. Then get user posts. I got user posts. Then get user post by ID. Add user posts by ID. Get user post by ID. I got the user post. Then get post by ID. get post by id. Let's get test user to any random id, get user post to login, get user posts, get test user to get this, working on one project, get post by id, post by id, working on one project, fine, get user post by id, and this should be get posts slash user slash get user post by id. Let's try to get this 17, user post by id, and this, what the hell, post by id, get user post by id, okay, post slash post id, console dot log response, I'm getting the response, world is cruel, okay, in promise can define reading content, okay, content, hold on, comment this, comment this, hold on, content, where am I reading the content, here, edit post container, post page, content, response, okay, response not content, I think, okay, fine, this is done. I think there's an API issue here, that user post by id, so user is here, and okay, not this, this is here, okay, fine, hold on here, if I come here, see this is happening, I need to fix this, okay, one updated, if I click on this, update post, updated, okay, post has been updated, if I come here, post has been updated again, update post, again, okay, Pravat. Hello Pravat, welcome to my stream. Every time you refresh the browser, it gets lost out of the user memory. Redux state recreating you state so that the user logged out. No, actually, even if I refresh, see user is not logged out. It's logged in. Because I fixed that issue. It was basically an API issue from my backend side. Lokesh B, I'm enjoying. That's why I'm coming from the past 5 days. Yeah, Lokesh, thanks, brother. Thanks for liking the stream. Woo 270. Hello, Woo. Welcome to my stream. Hey, bro, can you put in the title which features you are building today? That would be helpful as I'm learning from your video. Okay, I'll try to put this in the title. Basically, today I'm trying to make the UI responsive. Shubham Rai, thanks, bro. Welcome, Shubham Rai. अनुज गुप्ता, हेलो अनुज गुप्ता, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अगर तुमको कोई नया कंट्रोलर बनाना रहता है तो तुम कैसे बनाते हो? प्रीवियस को कंटिन्यू लाइक लॉजिक खुद से सोचते हो या सीधा जीपीटी करते हो फिर उसे समझ के खुद से लिखते हो? पहले मैं खुद से लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ, अगर नहीं होता फिर जीपीटी को लॉजिक समझाता हूँ, फिर जीपीटी से कोड समझता हूँ, फिर खुद इंप्लीमेंट करता हूँ. क्लासिक ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स, हेलो क्लासिक ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स, वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम. हेडफोन्स क्यों लगाया? माइक के लिए, यहाँ पे माइक है ना हेडफोन का, इसीलिए. बेलजरेंट चैट, व्हाट? बेलजरेंट चैट, हेलो बेलजरेंट चैट, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अरे अभिषेक शर्मा, कल जीरो मत बनाना. आई होप सो. डी धैर्य, थैंक्स फॉर द हार्ट. डी धैर्य. Chris Vector. Hello, Chris Vector. Welcome to my stream. Why don't you use oops in controller and router? Because I'm using Monstack and like I'm more into functional programming. When I work with Spring Boot, then obviously I use oops. Anuj Gupta. ठीक है. Okay, Anuj Gupta. Decode. Got DSA exam on 23rd in college. I don't know anything about it. Should I study tomorrow or give it up? Obviously study. Pathya Gaming YD currently working at today I'm working on currently making the application responsive, mobile responsive. D Dharya, just call me Dharya. Okay, Dharya. GB here. Why not building with Spring Boot? Because Spring Boot, I think it is too heavy. Because I feel that Spring Boot has lots of configuration. It's good for enterprise application, but I'm trying to build a startup here. That's why I'm not going for Spring Boot. Prince, are you in college? No, Prince. I've completed my BTech. Patha Gaming YT. Which company? I'm not working in any company. Patha. Dharya. Bye. Pani pile. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the reminder. Pani pile लेता हूँ. आकाश कपूर. अनुज गुप्ता. कल क्या तुम मुझे अपना फॉलो अनफॉलो यूजर का कोड दिखा सकते हो? Sure. This is my controller. Backend SRC controller. Where is it? User controller. This is my user controller. Where is it? Follow unfollow. ये रहा मेरा unfollow और follow का basically दो controller बनाए, एक follow करने के लिए और एक unfollow करने के लिए. ये रहा मेरा follow user controller. आकाश कपूर. आर्यभट्टा ने जीरो बनाया तो उसकी तारीफ हुई और अभिषेक के साथ भेदभाव क्यों हो रहा है? ओके, जीबी हियर. सो यू विल यूज दिस स्टैक फॉर योर SaaS startup as well. Yes, GB here. I'll use this mod stack for my SaaS startup as well. Fine. So where was I? This user controller is done. Provided. Shubham Rai. So controller is routes. No, controller is basic your request and response function. Route is this one. I've created routes, user route, and for this particular route I call this controller. View Yei plays. Hello Yei plays. Welcome to my stream. So which college, bro? By the way, with W stream subbed. Thanks for subscribing. YW plays, and I have completed my BTech. I completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Anuj Gupta, logic समझाना follow and follow का. Yeah, sure. See, basically, you need to understand the. Where is it? Where's my controller? Where's my model? First, you need to understand the model, right? This is a user model. We have a user model here, right? And in the user model, I've created a field called followers and following. Basically it's reference to itself only. Basically, follower is also a user and following will also be a user. This is the concept. So what happens in the controller is that in my follow controller, I get the username that I want to follow. Then I get the logged in user ID. Fine. Then what I do, I just find one if the username is exists. I check that. If there's no username, then I send an error. If username is there, if that user is there, I simply compare the user to be followed and if logged in user, because see, you cannot follow yourself, right? So this is that logic. And if everything is correct, then I just update user to be followed and I append that user ID. That's it. And same for unfollow. If you unfollow, I just pull that user ID in that from that array, from that model. That's it. Prince Churel. Hello, Prince Churel. I'm in class 12th. I know I could not able to crack JE. Can you suggest any good college? I also love programming. See, if you cannot crack JE, that's fine. You can target NITs. If not NITs, then go for at least tier 2 colleges. See, private colleges are very expensive. Like, private colleges will take a lot of fees. If not, if you want to go to tier 3 colleges, but understand that in tier 3 colleges, companies will not come for placement. You have to prepare and go to companies on your own. So getting a job in tier 3 colleges is a bit difficult. In tier 2 colleges, at least some companies come. Yeah. Chris Vector. I'm working on e-commerce sites, same as MERN, but I'm using server-side rendering like EJS. But I use OOPS in backend for controller and router for easy development for service. Oh, that's great. धैर्य प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कैसे बनती है? सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज building a programming language, you need to understand FLA, formal language automata. It's a subject where you actually build compiler. Compiler designing is a subject. You need to understand that subject. यूजर ASD, हेलो यूजर ASD, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. नेक्स्ट जेएस यूज कर सकते थे, उसमें एपीआई डायरेक्टली एज बैकएंड हो सकता था. या कर सकता हूँ, बट नेक्स्ट जेएस का बैकएंड साइड मुझे पसंद नहीं है पर्सनली, बिकॉज काफ़ी बग्स है उसमें. एंड लाइक मॉन स्टैक एक्सप्रेस इज मच मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर फॉर बैकएंड, सो मैंने इसीलिए रिएक्ट, सिंपल रिएक्ट यूज़ किया है. लाइक ये एक हाइप बन गया है कि रिएक्ट नहीं सिर्फ नेक्स्ट ही यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज मर्न स्टैक. आपको बस एक ऐसा डेवलप प्रोडक्ट बनाना है जो कस्टमर यूज कर पाए, लाइक यूजर यूज कर पाए आराम से. यूवी प्लेस ग्रेट, थैंक्स यूवी प्लेस. धैर्य, इसके लिए भी प्रोग्रामिंग होता है क्या? यस धैर्य, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज बनाएंगे आपको कंपाइलर डिजाइन पढ़ना पड़ेगा. जीवी हियर. But I saw your first video. You were coding using Spring Boot, so I thought you will use that for SaaS. Yeah, see, Spring Boot I know, but the thing is that Spring Boot is too overkill for a simple SaaS. Or if you're building something enterprise level, like some company level, then Spring Boot is fine because there are lots of developers who will contribute. But as a solo developer, Spring Boot is a bit heavy. That's what I feel. आकाश कपूर भाई, अगले किसी प्रोजेक्ट में नेस्ट जेएस यूज़ करना, बैकएंड बहुत क्लीन हो जाएगी उसमें. नेस्ट जेएस बोल रहा हूँ, नेस्ट जेएस नहीं यार. आई नो नेस्ट जेएस इज अ डिफरेंट फ्रेमवर्क, जावास्क्रिप्ट फ्रेमवर्क. आई ट्राई दैट. प्रिंस चुराल, हैविंग क्लास आई नो. Krish Vector, which year you completed your BTech? I completed my BTech in 2023. JB here, but I saw, okay, fine. IT feels so wrecked now for AI. Only enter if you have passion and ready to work really hard. That is true. पथिया गेमिंग, जॉब करना करना छोड़ के अब तुम स्टार्टअप पे काम करना चाहते हो? यस, यही है मेरा गोल. मेरे को स्टार्टअप में काम करना है, अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप बनाना है. आदित्य, लर्न मर्न स्टैक बट विदाउट यूजिंग एआई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बना पाता. सी, तो तुम्हें कोड समझना पड़ेगा. अगर एआई से भी सीख रहे हो, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड एंड देन इम्प्लीमेंट द कोड, राइट? डोंट जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट इट, उससे कुछ नहीं सीख पाओगे. प्रिंस चुरैल, बाइनरी नंबर से ना 01 01842184841. अकाउंट डिलीट का कंट्रोलर बनाया है? अभी तक अकाउंट डिलीट नहीं बनाया है, बनाऊंगा फ्यूचर में. यूजर इजी, अकाउंट डिलीट तो काफ़ी इजी है. सिंपली अकाउंट डिलीट का यूज़र को डेटाबेस से उड़ाओ और फिर लोग यूज़र को लॉग आउट करा के सीधा लॉगिन पेज में भेज दो, हो गया डिलीट. फिर उसको वापस रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा यूज़ करने के लिए. यूज़र ISD, हैव यू गॉट योर हैंड्स ऑन Vue.js और Next? नो, आई हैव नेवर यूज न्यू Vue.js और Next. This vector, next time if you want make backend use Nest.js, then you will see the real power of TypeScript. Okay, I'll research about it. Kishu Nelly. Hello Kishu, my age is 25 years old. Shubham Rai, so in controller you write API logic code? Yes, Shubham Rai. Akash Kapoor, you repeat my comment. Okay. You please. I bombed a React Native interview today. Okay, that's okay. See, don't feel sad about it. Understand what went wrong and work on it, and keep applying. Means we can use binary numbers to make software in early days. See, in early days, like when even compilers were not there, yes, we used binary numbers to make the first compiler, and or basically you make assembly language. Pacman, bug bounty किए हो कभी? नहीं. Pacman, and welcome to my stream. सामिक, लैंग्वेज क्या क्या सीखा है आपने? मैंने टाइपस्क्रिप्ट सीखा है, पाइथन सीखा है, जावा सीखा है और C++ थोड़ा सा आता है. यश बोंगाड़े, हेलो यश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. डेटा एनालिस्ट कैसे बने? पाइथन सीखो, पाइटॉर्च सीखो, स्टैटिस्टिक्स अपना स्ट्रांग रखो, एंड AIML सीखो अच्छे से. उसके बाद लर्न पांडाज एंड नंपाई. ओके. मैं भी एमसीए कर रहा हूँ अभी। जैसे तुमने जेएस फ्रेमवर्क नहीं पढ़ा होगा, मेरे को क्या करना है नीश दिखाने के लिए? रिपीट करो, मतलब क्या है इसका? अनुज गुप्ता, बेसिक वेब हो इजी है बहुत, पर फॉलोअर्स फॉलोइंग में सब से भी निकलना रहेगा। हाँ, वो भी किया है, फॉलोअर्स को फॉलोइंग से भी निकाला है, वी हैव डन दैट। Kish Nelly, how many years did you learn coding? I have been coding since I was in class 11. When I was 16, 17 years old. Since then, I have been coding. पाइथन सी प्लस प्लस कहाँ से सीखा? पाइथन मैंने यूट्यूब से सीखा है, सी प्लस प्लस मेरे को स्कूल में सिखाया था। प्रिंस, कैन वी यूज बाइनरी नंबर्स नाउ टू मेक सॉफ्टवेयर इफ आई वांट? या यू कैन, बट if there are compilers, why would you? Farhan, I'm in 8th sem, placed in 7th. Okay. Job description, my company is a .NET and MySQL heavy. Now the problem is I haven't received the offer letter where I wanted to know whether to continue MERN. See, this is a very bad thing from company side. At least if they're rejecting you, all the company, I don't know why companies do that. At least they should give a clear response. But I think you should start learning MERN. When they respond, then you can again start learning .NET. भाई मैं एमसीए कर रहा हूँ। जैसे तुमने जेएस फ्रेमवर्क्स नहीं पढ़ा होगा कॉलेज में, मेरे को क्या करना है नीश दिखने बनने के लिए? जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो, रिएक्ट सीखो, एक्सप्रेस सीखो, नोड सीखो, मोंगोडीबी सीखो। सामिक, वेब डेवलपमेंट टाइपस्क्रिप्ट कहाँ से सीखे? पाइथन यूट्यूब कोई चैनल से सीखा आपने? मैंने सब चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल से सीखा है, वहाँ से आप सीख सकते हो। आदित्य, जय ड्रॉप ईयर लेफ्ट स्टडी नाउ लर्निंग कोडिंग बट डिडंट वांट टू गो कॉलेज, want to do something by own. Oh, that's nice, Aditya. If you want to do something on your own, then first step is be very skilled. Oh no, my code, bro. How much time it took you to learn to reach 100 subscribers? Oh no, my code. I think it took around a month, because see, I started this YouTube channel when in November. I think it took me 1 month to to reach 100 subscribers. प्रवत 007, यूज़र को डिलीट हो गया। अब जो डेटाबेस में यूज़र का पोस्ट है वो ऑर्फन पड़ा होगा, तो उसको भी तो हटाना है। हाँ, सी जब डेटा डिलीट होगा तो हम लोग एक लॉजिक ऐसा भी लिखेंगे ना, जब व्हेन यूज़र इफ़ डेटा हैज़ बिन डिलीटेड देन उसके सारे पोस्ट को डिलीट करो, या फिर डेटा अगर डिलीट होने वाला है तो पहले पोस्ट को डिलीट करो, फिर पोस्ट डिलीट होगा, कमेंट्स डिलीट होगा, उसका लाइक्स डिलीट होगा, फिर उसके बाद यूज़र लास्ट पर डिलीट होगा। Deepak Kanpal, hello bro, hello Deepak Kanpal. Farhan, MERN helped me in cracking interview. My placement is confirmed, but stack is not clear. It's software engineer trainee. I have this gap now. Wanted to utilize this time, but I don't know it will be useful. See, in companies they will tell you what you need to learn, and they will give you time to learn. Right. So right now you can learn anything you want. Anuj Gupta, अरे मेरे भाई मैं बोल अरे मेरे भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अकाउंट डिलीट किया तो उसके दूसरे के फॉलोइंग और फॉलोअर्स में से भी वो अपने आप सी, हम लोग को क्या करना, अगर यूज़र डिलीट होगा तो वहाँ पे फॉलोअर्स और फॉलोइंग्स में नल बैठ जाएगा। मोंगोडीबी में यही ना होता है, एग्रीगेशन पाइपलाइन हम लोग बैठाते हैं, अगर एक यूज़र डिलीट हो रहा है तो उसका आईडी नहीं मिलेगा। आईडी नहीं मिलेगा तो हम लोग को लाइक क्या होगा ना कि बेसिकली देखो, जब हम लोग डिलीट का लॉजिक लिखेंगे कंट्रोलर में क्या होगा, सबसे पहले वो यूज़र का हम लोग यूज़र को फाइंड करेंगे कि वो यूज़र एग्जिस्ट भी करता है कि नहीं। फर्स्ट विल गेट द यूज़र, देन पोस्ट से वो यूज़र के आईडी का सारा पोस्ट हटाएंगे, ठीक है, वो हटेगा। उसके बाद हम लोग लाइक्स हटाएंगे, कमेंट्स हटाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद अगर यूज़र का फॉलोइंग्स, अगर यूज़र हट जाएगा तो उसका जितना भी फॉलोइंग है उसको नल कर देंगे। ऐसे कुछ लॉजिक होगा। कोरैक क्लच, आई एम अ फर्स्ट ईयर बीटेक स्टूडेंट एंड आई वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्रामर, सो व्हाट शुड आई लर्न? बाय द वे आई ओनली नो पाइथन एंड सी प्लस प्लस। इफ़ यू नो पाइथन देन लर्न जैंगो। पैकमैन, पढ़ाई क्या करी है आपने? पैकमैन मैंने अपना बीटेक किया है इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में। दीपक कंपाल, माधुरी लॉस्ट, ओके दैट्स सैड। योमो, भाई प्लेसमेंट के लिए कैसे पढ़ूँ? आई एम स्टिल इन थर्ड ईयर 6 सेम। डीएसए भी बेसिक आता है। सी डीएसए 1-2 घंटा 2 दिन का, एंड बाकी का दिन वेब डेव करो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। कॉलेज से निकलते टाइम क्या क्या सीखा? कॉलेज से निकलते टाइम आई लर्न, मेरे को कॉलेज से निकलते टाइम क्या आता था? जैंगो आता था, पाइथन आता था, बस इतना ही आता था। Ankesh Crazy Gaming. Hello Ankesh, welcome to my stream. How are you? And guys, if you're new to my stream, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Just a reminder. Oh no, my code. How to find freelance clients? As I said, freelance client. The best way to find freelance client is your own relatives, network, friends, friend of friends. Tell them that you can build software for their business, and then tell them that if they know anyone, they can refer. That's how I got my clients. Orchix, hello Orchix, welcome to my stream. What is event loop? Please समझा दो. See, event loop is basically, like for example, you log in and you get an API where that gets you the real time, like time API, right? New date dot now. Now you set a timeout. Like for example, set timeout is an event loop. It will continue for five. It will only continue after 5,000 milliseconds, something like that. अंकेश क्रेजी गेमिंग मुझे भी सीखना है ओके दैट्स नाइस फरहान हैव यू इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑथ यस आई हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑथ यूजिंग जेसन वेब टोकन वोमो एडिट्स भाई तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट लगी योमो मैं मैंने ऑफलाइन प्लेसमेंट निकाला था एंड एक साल काम करके फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया Prince, if I do not want to go college, it is risky if I want to learn by. See, I will suggest that you should go to college. You will get a lot of exposure. It's very important. Dharya, Nini time. Good night, Dharya. Okay. Okay, fine. Controllers, close this. Fine. This is done. Hold on. This is done. Then get post by ID. If I come here, close this. Get this post by ID. This one here. Okay. Edit post page. This one. This one. This one. Yeah, I was working on the backend logic. Backend SRC controllers, post controller. Get user post by ID, user ID, post ID. Point or find one. Find one. See, I need to use the AND operator here. That is the issue. I need to use the AND operator. This is to find the post by post ID, but the user post by ID and user ID. I should use the AND operator, I think, here. Find one. Hold on. See, this is of test user 8. This is of test user 8. Get user post by ID. Get user post by ID. Controllers routes post dot route. Get user post by ID. Fine, get user post by ID. Okay, got the issue. This will be get post by ID, get post by ID, and this will be get user post by ID. Post by ID. Get user post by ID. Fine. Login user. Test user 2. Get user post 17. Now if I come here, get user post by ID. Now if I come here, then I should not get this post. Yeah, post not found. I'm not the owner. But here, if I come here, then I will get the post. Okay. Issue fixed. This issue has been fixed. This issue has been fixed. Close this. Close this. Fine. This is done. Now if I come here, this one, app container. Close this. Close this. Front end SRC pages. Edit post page done. Chat page. Post detail page. Comment. Okay, not this one. Hold on. Why am I getting the error here? What error am I getting? post detail page. Okay, I'll close this. This will be app app. What was this? App layout. App layout. This is my app layout, and this will be post container post. Hold on. This I'll copy this here from here. I'll come here from here and comment uncomment all of this. Fine. Hold on, post not found. Okay, if I come here now, if I come here, post not found and not the owner. Okay, hold on, because I'm passing this ID. This, there we go, post details page, get post by ID. Here, get post by ID, get user post by ID. This, it should be here, user slash, and this should be just this. Now if I come here, hold on, request field status code 400. What is the issue here? Network 400 cannot get. Okay, hold on. Post, okay, posts slash. Okay, now if I come here, I got this. Hold on, this is where we go. Post container. This is going here. It's going here. Okay. Post container. Okay. Oh no, my code. What is your age? I'm 25 years old. और किक्स अभी क्या करते हो वाईटी के अलावा? मैं लाइक कॉल्स लेता हूँ, मैं अपने गाइड जिन लोग को मर्न स्टैक कैसे सीखने हैं, कहाँ से सीखने हैं, उनको गाइड करता हूँ. लाइक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस बताता हूँ, वो कॉल्स करता हूँ. It is paid. If anybody of you is interested, if you want to learn MERN stack and learn at a skill where you can build any kind of SaaS, any kind of projects, or you want to prepare for a job, then you can contact with me on Instagram. We can hop on a call, and I'll tell you like exactly what you need to do for next few months. I'll tell you the entire action plan. I need to analyze your skills, like what are your strengths, weaknesses, what are your current skills. Then I'll tell you what you need to do, so you can get on a call with me. And apart from that, I also like work on my freelancing projects apart from YouTube. Farhan, why not using ShatCN? Yeah, Farhan, I'll be using ShatCN in my later videos, like in my SaaS, when I start building my SaaS. Yomo edits. Hello, Yomo. Yomo edits. Welcome to my stream. Galgotia Valo, feeling sad for you with all these. Okay. Yomo edits. Your 6 can be our 9. Anuj Gupta, Galgotia क्या है? Hudya, can a person learn programming self-taught, especially C++? I did graduation in some other field, but want to switch to programming. Also, I'll do masters in CS and conversion as a conversion student. Any opinion? Yeah, you can learn programming on your own. There are lots of resources on YouTube. You can learn from there. Dashing channel. Why need to be sad? You all just enjoy the trend. You have any kind of experience? I have 1 year of working experience. User ads, just a suggestion, not a question. Your logic. I think you should not bring your media to server. You just store the links to your media in the database. Let the front end handle all the uploads. I mean, what are you talking? Like, can you explain this? Can you explain this a bit? Post in API. Yeah, okay. We see. Where are you storing images and videos? We see I'm storing images and video in Cloudinary. Last chance. Can you suggest the proper way to solve DSA question? I always see the solution or give up on thinking further. Last chance. See, the thing is that what you can do is first understand the basics. For example, if you are learning strings, learn the theoretical concepts of string, right? And then try to solve the question. Don't start solving the question without understanding theory. Kora's clutch. What is important to learn, web dev or Gen AI? See, web dev and go Gen AI in today's time, it's going hand in hand. See, Gen AI is only about how to write the proper prompts and use LLMs in your full stack applications. That's it. Patha Gaming YT, how much it costs? Like Cloudinary is free, I think. Anurag, hello Anurag, welcome to my stream. Where can apply for fresher job? Please reply, brother. See, for fresher job, the best way is to build projects, good level project, deploy them, and show the link in your resume. Deploy link in your resume, and then what you need to do is apply on all the major platform like LinkedIn. I don't use LinkedIn much, but you can use LinkedIn, Naukri.com, well found, then we work remotely. Apply everywhere, and if you get the interviewer's email ID, email your resume to them. Farhan, use Windsurf Codium autocomplete extensions, unlimited inline tabs. Okay, I'll try that. I'll give that a shot, Farhan. Thanks for suggesting. Patha Gaming YT, to learn from you and get pathway from you, how much it costs? Patha Gaming, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll tell you the details there. All right, there we go. Hold on, this is done. Okay, upload edit is also done. Nice, nice. It is here and here. I got the okay. Fine. Hold on. You liked this post. Hold on. Haha. Which user is this? Haha. If I post haha. What is happening here? Okay, log out from here. Log out from here. Okay, I got this. I got this. And here also, if I come here, app container there, getting. But here, I'm not getting a scroll bar. But if I go here, I'm getting the scroll bar. We'll fix this. Why am I getting the scroll bar here? Okay, we'll fix this. And here also, if I upload, I'm not getting. If I come here, if I click on edit, I'm not getting. Okay, and this is basically test user 17. If I come here, then go to my profile, and if I try to delete this, yes, delete, post deleted successfully. If I come here, then post has been deleted. Fine. Okay, this is done. Now I need to do chat also, chat page. This is done, this is done. Hold on, if I come here, chat GPT, fine, post upload, chat page. This is my chat page. Comment all of this, make it app, make it app layout, then add chat container. Hold on. Okay, this is my tester 17 message. Okay, hello, let's do this. Hello, hold on, this we go, there we go. Hello. This is test user 8. This is test user 8. Come here, test user 8. Now if I message test user 8, hold on, this, if I message test user 8, I'm getting like this, but it should be at the bottom. Hi, test user 8. Now if in my new incognito window, if I come here, test user 8, okay, login, localhost, they should be like this. Hold on, test user 8, test user 8. This is done. Hi, if I come here, test user 17, if I come here, something like this, here, hello, hello. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay, but in the this is my see this is my chat page.tsx chat page. Okay. VC, are you doing anything for rate limiting and other optimization in your code base? Yes, VC, I have implemented rate limiting in my backend using Redis. And for caching and for optimizing faster API response, I'm using caching also. Redis with Redis only. Farhan, it's similar to Microsoft Copilot. Okay. Anuj Gupta, can someone tell me what is Galgotia trend going on? You should watch news. You will get under. Galgotia basically is a university that went to AI summit and they messed up really bad. Farhan, you could use any free Figma design. Okay, that's nice. World TV. Hello, World TV 85. Welcome to my stream. Bhaiya, I am in first year, second sem. What to learn from to crack 15 LPA job? First year, second sem. See, I'll suggest you pick one programming language. You can either choose from Python, JavaScript, or Java. Choose one, learn it properly, and then I will suggest that go for backend learning. For start with backend. For example, if you go for JavaScript, then start learning Express, Node, MongoDB, or Postgres. Understand the backend properly. Then learn front end with React, Node, React, Tailwind, CSS, HTML, CSS. Learn those things and then build fantastic projects. That's it. अनुराग, भाई ऐसा कोई वेबसाइट नहीं है भाई जिसमें हम क्लाइंट नीड वेबसाइट बनाकर पैसे दे सकते हैं, प्लीज़ बताओ. सी अनुराग, अपवर्क एंड फाइवर वेज स्टार्टेड लाइक दिस ओनली, बट उसमें ना काफ़ी कंपटीशन है एंड लाइक ज़्यादा क्लाइंट्स मिलते नहीं हैं एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीलांसर को. वहाँ से आपको खुद के कॉन्टैक्ट्स यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे. यूज़र ASD, हेलो यूज़र, आर यू ब्रिंगिंग द मीडिया टू योर सर्वर यूजिंग मल्टर? See, I'm using Multer middleware. Then after I upload the image to the Cloudinary, I remove the image from my server. So basically, I'm not storing any media in my server. I'm storing it in Cloudinary. Kushagra Srivastav, Gen AI projects for resume, email, AI email writer, AI resume tracker, something like that. User ASD. If so, that's why I'm trying to tell. Okay. Gumball, hello जी कैसे हो? Hello Gumball, welcome back to my stream. How are you, brother? प्रिंस डेवलपर, भाई ब्रो तुम्हारी गिटहब में 151 रेपो है तो उसमें ऐसे क्या बनाया है? मुझे तो इतना आइडिया भी नहीं है 12 रेपो में मेरे में. यूज वेब सॉकेट्स फॉर, यस फरहान, आई यूज वेब सॉकेट्स फॉर चैट. Why building the social media in the first place? Side project. See, yes, this project is like my side project, but I'll deploy it and I'll make sure people come and use it. Okay. Prince developer. See, all those projects in my repository are my own projects, and some are for my own learning, some are full stack projects. So that's what I did. Mod बना दो, हेल्प करूँगा. ओके, मॉड कैसे बनाते हैं? हाउ टू मेक मॉड? लेट्स सी, हाउ कैन आई मेक यू अ मॉड? कैसे बनाते हैं मॉड? एनी आइडिया? गम्बॉल 69, बस 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स बता दो मर्न स्टैक के लिए. Build a blog application, build an e-commerce application with a chat system, like AI chat system that AI will search the inventory and suggest the products. Build that e-commerce. Then build an AI coding assistant or like a AI email assistant. Anuj Gupta, bhai, you can just call me Anuj. That would sound so great. Okay, yeah, Anuj, I'll call you Anuj only. Okay, so this is my code. This is my chat page. Chat page. Remove this, or I can keep it. Let's keep it. This is my chat page. Fine. Then this is my chat container. My chat container.tsx. Fine. This is my chat container. Container. Then this is my app layout. Where's my components? Layout, app layout. My app layout, layout.tsx. I want the chat to take the full height so that it looks good. But the reason chat is not full height is inline app layout. The wrapper is forcing chat into the feed width. Okay, okay. So layout supposed to match feed full. The clean solution copy paste app layout. Replace the entire file. Chat page. Variant full. Fix chat containers. Fix chat height. If currently. Message scroll container. Is this? Okay. Okay, let's implement this. So basically in my app layout, I'll copy this. This is my app layout. Comment it now. Move the app layout, then how it looks. Without app layout, it looks. What happened? What happened here? Okay. Okay, let's keep it like this now. Inspect app layout. This is the app layout. Okay, this is the app layout. App layout, then chat page. This is the chat page. Then variant full. Let's add the variant. Variant should be make it full. Any changes? Now let's see. Any changes here? Anything? Okay. Anything this? Okay. Chat container. Chat container. This is my chat container. In the first. This. Okay. Copy this. Comment this and this. Now let's see. Any changes? First div. This here, but in the mobile screen it looks like this. Okay, okay, it's okay. This is done. Now message scroll container. Flex one. Where is it? Flex one. Okay, flex one mini. Flex one. Where is it? Chat components. Chat page. Chat container only. Where is it? With replace chat flex overflow. Overflow y auto. Overflow y auto. Where is it? Overflow y auto p4 space y. Okay, this one. Replace this line of code with this one. This. This. Yeah. This. Run. 41 4 LPA work from home for fresher thoughts. See, yeah, the 4 LPA work from home is fine only for fresher because you are working from home. But the thing is that what work you are doing. If basically for fresher in engineering training, associate, all those job roles, they give you any random task. So growth is very less. Harshit.exe. भैया मैं अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में सेकंड सेम हूँ आती है डीएसए कर रहा हूँ सो पैरेलल में क्या करूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा पाइथन या जावा डीएसए एक साथ सीख कर कुछ आगे करूँ या डेवलपमेंट सी डीएसए आप सिंपल है डीएसए आप दिन के 1-2 घंटे में करो स्टार्टिंग के 1-2 घंटे में डीएसए करो उसके बाकी दिन आप फुल स्टैक करो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ दोनों साथ में करो हर्षित Any senior here reply my query. Okay. Farhan, make the chat GPT grid, chat page grid, flex one for middle. Okay. Chat page grid. Chat page. Okay. Mm-hmm. Swapnil, hi bro. Hello Swapnil, welcome to my stream. Sarthak Kashyap, hello Sarthak, welcome to my stream. Bro, are there any free AI API keys provider than heavy rate limited? I don't know, bro. I don't know. मेरा मैसेज और नेम पे क्लिक करो, मॉड बनाने का ऑप्शन आएगा. अच्छा, मेरे मैसेज और आई क्लिक्ड ऑन इट. रिपोर्ट चैनल एक्टिविटी ऑथर, गो टू चैनल, पुट यूज़र टाइम आउट, हाइड यूज़र ऑन दिस चैनल. यही बस 4 ऑप्शन है. आई थिंक लैपटॉप से होगा. ले देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं मॉड. दिस प्रथम मॉड बना है. क्लिक ऑन दिस channel activity, go to channel, pin message, report, you put user time out, add as moderator. Okay. Can manage blocked words and change chat modes in live, and also give it to standardized moderators. Can review and remove chat message and hide or put users timeout. ओके. कौन सा बनाते हैं? ये स्टैंडर्ड मॉडरेटर बना देते हैं. ओके फाइन. पाथ, यू आर अ मॉडरेटर नाउ. Jewel manual, bro. I don't have degree, so I can't apply to MNC. Do startup give good pay if I improve my skills in backend? By the way, I like to create backend scalable application. Jewel, see, startups will always respect your skills, right? So if you have skills, startup will pay you good. If that startup is funded, obviously. Farhan, you need to use calc to minus the space for whom I do. Okay, I'll do that. Corax clutch in high performance system, when would you choose eventual consistency over strong consistency, and how would you mitigate user visible incomplete answer? High performance systems, when would you choose eventual consistency? I have no idea about this Corax clutch. मोहित कुमार, किस कॉलेज से आप पास हो भैया, और सेशन बीटेक एमटेक? आई हैव बी टेक एंड आई हैव डन इट फ्रॉम सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट टेक्नोलॉजी. फरहान, द सेंड मैसेज बीनीथ द होम आइकन. या आई सॉल्व दैट. फरहान. अनुज गुप्ता, बैकएंड का नाम 3 डॉट्स आएगा मैसेज. यस. पाथ गेमिंग, यू आर अ मॉडरेटर नाउ. गाइज मैं अपना मुंह धो के आता हूँ, 1 मिनट. पुश, आज तो काफ़ी वॉचिंग है. या पुश. एंड गाइज, जस्ट अ रिमाइंडर, इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई स्ट्रीम, डू कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग. स्टूडेंट अमित, थर्ड सेम में 5 बैक इन BCA, नाउ फोर्थ सेम. ज़िंदगी से सारी उम्मीद छोड़ चुका हूँ. पूजा की दुकान है जिससे ऑनलाइन ले जाना चाहता हूँ. वी आर लर्न HTML CSS जावा. ओके, see back, though I will suggest you that you avoid backs, because it can waste your time a lot. And learn HTML CSS JavaScript, learn skills and start applying. It's Ultron. Hi bro, what are you doing today? It's Ultron 18. Welcome back to my stream, brother. Today I'm trying to make the app more responsive, mobile responsive. Basically like this. In this mobile devices, it will look like this. And there are some more, I need to make some changes also. Basically right now I'm fixing the chat bug issue in my mobile screen. This is going at the bottom, so I'll fix that. Kotish, data scientist, you're working hard, keep it up. Thank you Kotish, data scientist, and welcome to my stream. फरहान, कंपनी में इस स्पीड से काम चलेगा क्या? कौन सी स्पीड से फरहान? मोहित कुमार, योर सेशन भैया. I completed my BTech in 2023, Mohit. Weekend. Next.js, express.js. I like express.js and I like front-end part only of Next.js. I don't like the back-end part of Next.js. Okay. Fine. This. There we go. Okay. App layout. Mobile nav. Mobile nav. Hold on. Here we go. Mobile nav is here. Home. In mobile nav, I have only home and this part. And if I click on this, I'm coming here. I'm coming here. I'm coming here. Hold on. Then in the chat, how will I go to the chat part? Hold on, we'll fix this. We'll fix this. We will fix this. We will fix this. There we go. Let's see how it looks in S8. Let's see how it looks in Surface Duo pad. It looks an iPhone SE. In Nest Hub, chat is there. Okay. Then in ASUS in book fold. Okay, now if I go to 14 Pro Max, now if I go to iPhone 12 Pro, yeah, 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro is fine. Okay, so research on this only. Chat part, I was working on the chat part. This chat message part is going down. Okay. It's Ultron. Currently, I'm doing DSA and I need to start dev again. Is it possible to manage dev and DSA? Yes, it's Ultron. It is possible to manage dev and DSA. What you can do is during the start of a day, you can do DSA 1 to 2 questions every single day, and rest of the day do DSA, do dev. ज्ञान सागर, हेलो ज्ञान सागर, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई रिएक्ट हुक फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहे हो टाइपस्क्रिप्ट के साथ कर नॉट रिक्वेस्ट फील्ड डाल स्कीम नॉट मैच बताना ये सब ये यप यूज़ कर स्कीम में. मैं यहाँ पे जॉड यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, जॉड और रिएक्ट हुक फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. शुभदीप, आर यू मेकिंग द मोबाइल वर्जन ऑफ इट? यस, वी आर मेकिंग दिस एप्लीकेशन मोबाइल रिस्पॉन्सिव. गमबॉल, आपका शेड्यूल क्या है? गमबॉल, आई वेक अप अराउंड 9 AM. देन आई if I have any call work, like if I have any sessions to take with people who need my guidance, then I get on call and I do take my call. Then after that I work on my own applications. Then I learn new technology, like currently I'm learning Pondstack also, Postgres, Express, React Node. Then I work on that. Then I just, these things I do the entire day. फरहान, SM या मिड ब्रेक पॉइंट पर थोड़ा ऊपर लेना पड़ेगा इनपुट सेंड मैसेज वाला. ओके, या गुड पॉइंट, लेट्स डू दिस. सो बेसिकली इन माई चैट कंटेनर, दिस इज माई इनपुट. Where is my input message input is me. Okay, hold on. Message.map here, class name r2 digit, image preview, input in here. It's like this. Let's make it md. It's md. Okay, hold on. If I make this md, if I make this md, my medium devices, md flex cap item center input. This is the input and this is the, hold on. If I close this, this is happening. Okay, type a message, type message, right. And in small devices, let's make it p2. In small devices it will be p2. Come here, small devices p2. In small devices margin b2. No, not like this. Hold on, close this, close this, close this, close this. p4, p4, it means py it is taking. This in small devices, make this md. In small devices, let's p4, p6, Let's make it py6. Let's make it minus py6. Oh, no issues, no nothing like this. Remove this, okay, remove this, remove this, remove this. This is my code, my chat container.tsx. In mobile screen, the chat input box is going below the mobile. This is like okay, mobile life at the bottom, but your chat is still thing. This app layout. Keep chatting like this. Okay, do not change this anymore. My mobile lamp have fixed. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Mobile chat will change input container. Okay. Give me the full Jewel Manual. You completed your studies from Manipal University online. No, no, no. I did my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Like it was not online, it was offline. Patham Gaming YT. Supporting this channel is 100% free. Just hit like and subscribe. Oh, thanks, Patham Gaming YT. मोहित कुमार अ ग्लोबल ट्रूथ सभी इंजीनियर्स रात का राजा होता है आज तक समझ नहीं आया हम इंजीनियर रात भर जागते क्यों हैं ट्रू इट्स सैनी हेलो सर जी व्हाट्सअप हेलो इट्स सैनी वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम हाउ आर यू ज्ञान सागर और भाई सॉरी मैंने टाइपो किया इट्स ओके इट्स अल्ट्रॉन व्हाट अपॉर्चुनिटी आर लुकिंग फॉर डू यू वांट टू वर्क विद स्टार्टअप यस इट्स अल्ट्रॉन आई वांट टू वर्क विद स्टार्टअप गम्बॉल 69 मन को कितना टाइम दूँ काफ़ी है गिव एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 hours एवरी सिंगल डे अनुज सर्च फंक्शनैलिटी कैसे बनाया बैकएंड का इस्तेमाल है उसमें हाँ सर्च का बैकएंड में इस्तेमाल है लाइक मैंने एक एपीआई बनाया है जो यूज़र के पोस्ट को सर्च मारता है MB4 या MB6 ट्राई कर दो ओके ज्ञान सागर आई मीन आई एम यूजिंग रिएक्ट हुक फ्रॉम टाइपस्क्रिप्ट एंड यप फॉर स्कीमा बट मी नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड सेटअप नहीं कर पाता ही इसकी टाइम मैच बोल रहा है पहले आपको ना एक स्कीमा डॉट फाइल बना के उसमें सारी स्कीमास को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा फरहान भाई पैडिंग तो इनर गैप है मार्जिन दे दे ओके गम्बॉल राइट P2 SM ओके इट्स अल्ट्रॉन 18 ब्रो वेयर डिड यू लर्न मॉन स्टैक आई लर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब देयर इज अ चैनल कॉल्ड शायर कोड 2 मिनट चैट देखते रहना चैट जीपीटी से पहले मैं फिक्स ट्राई कर दूंगा ओके एक्सपीरियंस है ओके गेमिंग वाइटी टेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स फॉर पर्सनल करियर कोचिंग एंड डिटेल रोड मैप्स ऑफर प्रीमियम guidance sessions to get started see the plans DM oh thanks Pap Gaming YT thanks a lot man rank rush do you enjoy coding yes I do enjoy coding Ritesh Shinde, please provide your LinkedIn profile. Ritesh, I don't use LinkedIn. I'm on Instagram. Surat Singh, big fan, bhaiya. I'm from Uttarakhand. Surat Singh, thanks, brother. Thanks a lot. And I'm from West Bengal, India. Nice to connect with you, brother. Mohit Kumar, are you financially independent now, brother, after completing BTech in 2023? Not exactly financially independent. Like, I did job for 1 year. And now, like, I do freelancing. So, yeah. अनुज गुप्ता चैट इनपुट को मार्जिन दे के देखो ओके चैट इनपुट को मार्जिन देके चैट इनपुट वेयर इज इट चैट कंटेनर चैट इनपुट क्लास नेम मार्जिन px py4 ओके flex 1 hold on see what is the issue basically here is when I'm doing this is going up above so maybe I can reduce this height also chat container input instead of input there we go message it's minimum height A risky shot is DSA necessary? DSA is necessary if you're a fresher and if you want to get into Fang and all those companies. Anonymous, please answer my question. What is your question? What was the reason of for leaving job? It's Ultron. See, basically, I was not enjoying it. Basically, that's why I left it. I wanted to do something of my own. That's why I left it. Now, please answer my question. What is your question, Anonymous? And welcome to my stream. 9 to 5 escaper. Hey, bro, are you using Codex? No, I'm using VS Code. Dual manual. Bro, in Manipal, we can do in online also, na? I'm planning to do it in online BCA. I have no idea about the online there. ओके फरहान इनपुट जिस भी कंटेनर में है MB6 या MB8 ट्राई कर लो इनपुट जिस भी कंटेनर में है ओके सो दिस इज़ माई इनपुट वेयर इज इट या दिस इज़ माई इनपुट यहाँ पे बॉर्डर क्या देना है MB6 दे के देखो MB6 ओ या नाइस फरहान नाइस ब्रदर इट इज़ वर्किंग मैन if I close okay but here also it is working it is fine okay let's just make it SM nice work Farhan nice work SM and medium MB8 hold on MB6 MB8 देके देखो MB8 MB10 MB10 but here it is looking like this also अब इसको नॉर्मल में कैसे करें in medium make it MB4 MB2 MB1 MB0 now if I come here yeah nice send a chat send this nice work Farhan nice work guys please appreciate Farhan his solution actually helped this support this channel thanks Path Gaming YT thanks a lot man ज्ञान सागर कितनी एज है आपकी मेरी एज 25 है ज्ञान सागर अनुज गुप्ता अरे मैं भी यही बोल रहा था मार्जिन बॉटम देके देखो ओके थैंक्स अनुज थैंक्स गाइस थैंक्स फरहान अनुज थैंक्स लॉट मैन अनोनमस फरहान भाई तो प्रो निकले अपना लिंक्डइन दे दो फरहान भाई मोहित कुमार एनीवन फ्रॉम बिहार रेज योर हैंड ओके गाइस एनीवन फ्रॉम बिहार डू लेट मी नो फरहान ओनली एसएम में दे दो एसएम में दे दूँ एसएम में दिया ओके सिर्फ अगर एसएम में दे दूँ एमबी एसएम में दे के दूँ और इसको हटा दूँ क्या होगा सी एसएम में देने से इट इज़ गोइंग डाउन तो आई थिंक एसएम हटा के लेट्स कीप इट दिस ओनली थैंक्स Path Gaming YT man thanks for being a moderator Tigris N20 as a new guy who will be entering to BSc in only doing CS worth it as I really hate math and physics. See, I love physics, so I cannot agree with it, and I love maths also. So I don't know why you hate it. Anonymous, फरहान भाई लिंक्डइन दे दो अपना गमबॉल फरहान भाई की जय हो फरहान मैसेज रिट्रैक्टेड ओके दीपक प्रधान भैया HTML CSS हो गया अब क्या करूँ प्रोजेक्ट या और कुछ HTML CSS हो गया थोड़ा डिटेल में बता देना भैया दीपक प्रधान नाउ योर टारगेट शुड बी टू लर्न जावास्क्रिप्ट निशांत 560T is this self learning project yes this is a self learning project so here it is looking like this and here also fine chat is working Chat is working here. Chat is working. Okay, and now if I come here to test the rate, it looks like this. And if I go here, great. Let's just see one more thing. You loved it. Okay, yeah, this is what I wanted. Okay. Yes, of course. Here also I got this. Yes, of course. I'm glad. Am glad. I am glad. Here, if we come, I am glad. Okay. Chat is fine now. Okay. Guys, thanks, Farhan and Anuj. Thanks a lot. For chat, okay. For chat section, एक आइकॉन बनाओ ओनली फॉर मोबाइल कंडीशनिंग रेंडरिंग ऑनलाइन ऑन क्लिक चैट्स वाला पेज खोल दो ओके chat page okay let's open chat page fine if I come here chat page okay fine okay Mohit Kumar had a look at your channel. Really, you are doing a very hard work. Keep it up, bro. Thanks, Mohit Kumar, and thanks for joining the stream, brother. Tigris, but will it be hard to do CS and land a job? Tigris, see, it depends on your skill. Even if you have a skill, if you have great skills, you can get good remote jobs in startups and well-funded startups. So that's nice. दीपक प्रधान भैया क्लोन वगैरह ना करूं सी क्लोन वगैरह आप एक बार एच टी एम एल जावा स्क्रिप्ट सी एस एस एंड रिएक्ट सीख जाओ उसके बाद क्लोन वगैरह करना उसमें क्या है कि आपको आसानी होगी नैतिक यादव कॉलेज नो नैतिक यादव आई कंप्लीट माई बी टेक गम्बॉल 69 ओके ब्रो गुड नाइट अब थोड़ा ब्लॉग प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर लेता हूँ ओ या श्योर गम्बॉल थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस स्ट्रीम आई होप यू एंजॉयड इट फरहान होम और प्रोफाइल के बीच में होम और प्रोफाइल के या लाइक here we should give a chat icon okay anonymous read my comments above please I beg you what was your comment anonymous फरहान भाई अपना लिंक्डइन दे दो आपका कमेंट क्या था anonymous anonymous what was your question like please answer my question what's your question anonymous tell me your question fine okay there we go okay hold on there we go what is it fine okay this is done now okay we can close this one close this come here and first let's do one thing that let's put a chat section close maybe I can make the chat a sidebar should I make a chat the sidebar list of conversations okay do follow on Instagram okay thanks path gaming YT anonymous ना spam कर रखा है ऊपर bro long comment कौन सा long comment tell me again unnoticed piece hello unnoticed piece welcome to my stream Anurag hi bhaiya wanted to ask what kind of advanced features should be added to this project so I stand out you know first is that your project structure should be really good right then you should implement authentication you should implement file handling properly like which with images and video yeah and you can make the UI look really good कोई और फिक्स कर लो थोड़ा ट्रिकी है ओके आयुष मर्न कहाँ से सीखना शुरू करूँ चैनल या सजेशन मर्न यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम we can start from Chair Code YouTube channel. Sabu Ray. Hi Sabu Ray, welcome to my welcome to my stream. Anuj भाई ऊपर प्रोफाइल आइकन के बाजू में मैसेज आइकॉन दे के उसे चैट सेक्शन खुलवाओ, वो सही रहेगा. ओके, लेट्स डू दैट. आई थिंक वो भी मुझे लग रहा था यहाँ पे ना एक चैट सेक्शन दे देते हैं, उसमें क्या होगा कि ये सारा कॉन्वर्सेशन चैट में खुलेगा. ओके फाइन, लेट्स डू दिस. कंपोनेंट्स, chat page. Hold on. Chat. General chat bar, new chat. This is my code. Chat bar.tsx. Chat bar, then mobile nav. Mobile nav.tsx. Then I have chat pages. Chat page.tsx. Chat container. Chat container.tsx. Chat container.tsx. This is done. सर्च गुड सर्च वेब. ओके फरहान, MD हिडन एक आइकॉन ऐड कर लो, ऑन क्लिक में एक रेफ पास करके ओपन करवा लो चैट्स. ओके लोकेश और मैन, यू स्टिल अप, बैटमैन हो आप. ओके थैंक्स लोकेश. या मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है तो इसीलिए अभी तक जगा हुआ हूँ. ओके हिमांशु Dushan, hi bhaiya, I had one question. If I had to make a project, what should be the way we should begin a project? Like where to start? Should we make architect or like what? See, the first thing you should do is, first is that understand what project you are building, then break the project into two components, front end and your back end, right? Then choose a tech stack. Choose a good tech stack like MERN stack, Spring Boot with or anything, right? Then understand key requirements of your application. Then build an ER diagram. Like your ER diagram should look like something like this. Your ER diagram will look something like this, like all your tables, relationship between your tables, right? Then you will be able to understand, okay, now exactly what I need to build. Before you start your project, you must do these steps, right? Okay, supporting this channel is 100% free. Thanks, Path Gaming YT. Thanks a lot, man. Fact Camon. Hello, Fact Camon. Welcome to my stream. Name क्या रहेगा? Name अभी तक मैंने सोचा नहीं है. Learner. Bro, please tell industrial project for last year BTech. Build a chat application with an AI chatbot that can understand the inventory and can, give responses to the users about the product that are available in the inventory. Himanshu, hello Himanshu, welcome to my stream. And how and where do you take help from AI? See, I take help only when I get stuck. For a front end, I take AI help a lot because I don't like to do front end much. So I take front end AI help a lot. Then I also use it for debugging the code. But before I implement it, I understand the code. Lokesh, me too. Probably I will edit pending videos. Okay, that's nice. फरहान भाई, आप चैट जीपीटी से करवा रहे हो, सही है क्या? मतलब सभी यही करते हैं क्या? मैं पहले करता था, कोई भी इशू आइडिया आए प्रॉम्प्ट कर दिया, आज तक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया कुछ बनाने का खुद से. सी फरहान, होता क्या है ना कि मैं पहले MERN stack काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट बना चुका हूँ, लाइक इसके पहले भी काफ़ी अलग टेक स्टैक में बना चुका हूँ, तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस है कि अगर मैं इफ़ आई सिट एंड टेक अ प्रॉब्लम वेरी सीरियसली, आई विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट विथ माई ओन लॉजिक, राइट? But now we have AI, so to save my time, I'm using AI to debug anything. And I think if you understand the code before you implement the code, understand it, then it is fine to use, I think. Himanshu, thank you bhaiya, welcome Himanshu. Path Gaming YT, thanks brother, thanks a lot man. Path Gaming YT, yes bro, yo what's up, hello, yes bro, welcome to my stream. आयुष, क्या जेमिनाई का ओपन AI की API चैटबॉट में कनेक्ट करने से काम चल जाता है रिस्पॉन्स वगैरह का? ओपन AI की API चैटबॉट में, हाँ हो सकता है. एनोनिमस, ब्रो आई स्टडी इन छपरी कॉलेज, आई बिलोंग टू वेरी पुअर फैमिली, आई लव कोडिंग बट मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रही है, इंस्टेड आई एम वेस्टिंग टाइम इन Corn and galat kaam. Help please. See, corn is destroying your mindset. See, it is a very big distraction. Please stop watching. Like, avoid it as much as you can. Instead, see your family background, use it as a motivation, use it as a fire that I need to improve myself so that I can support my family. So don't waste your time on watching corn or any useless activities. Instead, learn tech stacks, learn knowledge, learn anything, master a skill. See, if you want to be financially independent, if you want to make money, the only thing you can do is master a skill, be really good in it. Like, seriously, nothing, no one can be better than you in that, right? So learn that skill and stop wasting your time. Puneet, bro, you know system design. Puneet, yeah, I know basic system designs. Learner, डीएसए नहीं आता, जॉब मिल सकती है क्या? जॉब डीएसए में, बिना डीएसए यू कैन गेट अ जॉब, या इट इज़ पॉसिबल, बट योर प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी रियली गुड. फरहान भाई, बट भाई वो फील क्या का क्या जो खुद बनाने से आएगा. सी, इसीलिए मैं बैकएंड खुद से बनाता हूँ वो फील के लिए, क्योंकि आई कैन बिल्ड बैकएंड ऑल्सो विद एआई, बट आई ट्राई टू बिल्ड बैकएंड ऑन माई ओन. एंड फ्रंट एंड, सी टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मेरे को फ्रंट एंड में ना मेरा हाथ नहीं चलता है. लाइक आई डोंट इवन वांट टू यूज फ्रंट एंड. दैट्स व्हाई आई डू फ्रंट एंड विद एआई मोस्टली. बट फॉर दैट फीलिंग वाला थिंग आई मेक माई ओन बैकएंड. Sajid, hello Sajid, welcome to my stream. Hey bro, I'm Android developer. I've spent the last 5 years working at Google India, and now I'm thinking about making a switch. Oh, that's great, Sajid. And with your experience and with your, it will be very easy for you to switch and get a job, get like high-paying job, even more. So yeah, all the best for that. Fact came on, भैया, I am first year student with ECE branch from गलगोटिया कॉलेज. अब यूनिवर्सिटी से अलग है. वो मुझे खुद रोड मैप दे सकते हो और क्या करूँ फर्स्ट ईयर में, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह. सी, फर्स्ट ईयर में हो तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू लर्न जावास्क्रिप्ट. लर्न पहले एक प्रोग्रामिंग अच्छे से सीखो. मैं सजेस्ट करूँगा या तो जावास्क्रिप्ट करो या पाइथन करो. 8J वाला, भाई क्या एआई सीखने में पैसे हैं? हाँ, एआई सीखने में बहुत पैसे हैं. ओके, यस ब्रो. भाई मुझे साइबर सिक्योरिटी में जाना है अभी. ओके, फील्ड प्रोग्रामिंग बोरिंग है, बट आई वांट टू गो इन साइबर सेक. मास्टर उसमें ही करना है, कुछ बात बता दो. सी, साइबर सिक्योरिटी के लिए यू कैन गेट वेरी गुड रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. First is that you go to ChatGPT, ask that I want to be a cyber security. These are my current skills. And before that, tell me what are your current skills. If you tell me your current skills, only then I can guide you properly. Okay, take next. Thanks, Path Gaming YT. Thanks a lot, man. अनुज गुप्ता, नया फीचर बनाओ, स्क्रैच से बना देखना है. ओके, अनुज गुप्ता, स्क्रैच से मैंने पूरा बैकएंड ही स्क्रैच से बनाया है. लाइक इफ़ यू गो टू डे 1 स्ट्रीम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट मैंने सारा स्क्रैच से ही बनाया है. RS Deepak, hello brother, you ignore me, remember me or not? RS Deepak, hello RS, welcome to my stream. Anonymous, bro, what do you do when you don't get motivated? See, I don't use motivation to fuel me. See, I don't depend on motivation, I depend on discipline and consistency. And for that, you have to understand that before, if you decide something to do it no matter what. इससे तुम्हारा सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ेगा, इससे you will start respecting yourself. लर्नर, नहीं डीएसए नहीं समझता, कुछ टिप्स दे दो. सी, डीएसए के लिए सबसे पहले यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज रियली वेल, राइट? देन यू कैन learn the topics. Like if you want to learn string, then learn the concept of string, then you start doing questions. Prabhu Datta, I use AI only for CSS. I write my React code myself. Oh, that's nice. For an advanced auth like refresh token and reset password, role based authentication सब implemented है. See, role based अभी like मैंने एक अपॉन स्टैक बनाया था, उसमें role based लगाया था. इसमें भी role based लगाना है क्योंकि एक admin panel भी होगा, तो आई नीड टू इम्प्लीमेंट रोल बेस्ड. एंड वो रिफ्रेश टोकन वो सब हो चुका है. फरहान, 8J वाला, भाई ये बता दो क्या ज्वाइन करूँ, कोई ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन बेस्ट कोर्स फॉर AIML इन क्लास 12. सी, AIML के लिए देयर इज अ यूट्यूब चैनल कॉल्ड कैंपस एक्स, यू कैन फॉलो दैट यूट्यूब चैनल. RS Deepak, good night brother, good night RS Deepak, thanks for joining. Sahil, bro, does Android development still have any scope? If yes, which language is better, Kotlin or Java? See, I will suggest you to go for cross-platform mobile applications like React Native, Flutter, or Lynx. Uh, Deepak, I am Deepak Kanpa, second ID. Oh, Deepak Kanpa, I remember you. Thanks for joining the stream, brother. Rajwant. फरहान ये ट्विटर टाइप का है या इंस्टा? फरहान ये ट्विटर, इंस्टा और रेडिट दोनों का मिक्स है. Okay. Rajwant, see, everything feels messy, I understand that, but still you should pick one path and learn it properly. भाई करंट स्किल्स कुछ नहीं है. अभी नेटवर्किंग ख़त्म किया जो साइबर सेक में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और बस बैश लैंग्वेज काली लिनक्स एक तरफ जाऊंगा, और कॉलेज में प्रोग्रामिंग चल रही है. भैया बोरिंग लगता है. एफ आई में हूँ, फाइनल ईयर में हूँ. सी मुझे लाइक क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, सॉरी नेटवर्क साइबर सिक्योरिटी का कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम द करेक्ट पर्सन टू गाइड यू. यू नो यू कैन यूज़ ए आई टू गेट यू अ पाथ. मैं तो यही करता हूँ, कुछ किसी का नॉलेज होता नहीं है मेरे को, तो मैं ए आई को बोलता हूँ कि मुझे सिखाओ भाई. राजन ब्रो एवरीथिंग ओके. ड्रॉप इन द चैट इफ यू आर एंजॉइंग द बिल्ड सो फार. ओके थैंक्स पाथ, थैंक्स अ लॉट मैन. ऑलराइट, सो देयर वी गो. दिस इज माय कोड चैट कंटेनर. चैट पेज डाला क्या? चैट पेज, होल्ड ऑन. Okay. Uh, all right, guys. I think for today I'll keep it this much. Almost everything is done. Just chat is left. I'll do this tomorrow. Okay. I'll just make a commit. What is the commit message? Commit. Push. फरहान पहले जॉब पर कैसे काम कराता था डिटेल में बताओ. लाइक बेसिक मैं आर लाइक एक बेसिक सा एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट जॉब नहीं था मेरा, तो इसलिए मैंने छोड़. एक्चुअली डेवलपमेंट अगर रोल होता तो मैं फिर भी करता, बट डेवलपमेंट रोल था नहीं, तो इसलिए छोड़ दिया. 8J वाला, आप तो शर्मा जी के बेटे हो. जी हाँ, मैं शर्मा जी का बेटा हूँ. यस ब्रो. के सर आंसर देने के लिए थैंक यू सर, आंसर देने के लिए. गुड नाइट सर. Yes, bro. Good night, brother. I hope you enjoyed this stream. Rajwanti, bro. According to the trend or job market, what important things that I can learn now? The most important thing you can learn right now is how to build products single-handedly, because AI can help you with coding. So now your job should be to how to learn how to build products. If you can think like a product developer, then you will get jobs really easily. Tomorrow I'll fix that thing, GitHub. Okay. भाई बस एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन था, साइबर सेक में जॉब है कि नहीं है? ये सी मेरे हिसाब से साइबर सेक में काफ़ी जॉब्स है, क्योंकि क्या है ना कि साइबर सेक इज़ अ वेरी सेंसिटिव प्लेस. उसमें एआई का ज़्यादा भरोसा अभी तक नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि कुछ भी इशू हुआ तो पूरा सर्वर ही हैक हो जाएगा, है ना? तो उसमें जॉब तो है मेरे हिसाब से. फरहान कैसी जॉब थी? नॉर्मल एक लाइक सर्वर को मेंटेन करना था, सर्वर डाउन करना था, वीकेंड्स को सर्वर अप करना था, ऐसा टाइप का जॉब था, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. राजवंती सर, ओके थैंक यू. वेलकम राजवंती. राजवंत, वेलकम राजवंत. ओके थैंक यू. वेलकम राजवंत. हुसैन मरूफ, हेलो हुसैन, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. हाउ टू हैंडल प्रॉप्स ऑन टाइपस्क्रिप्ट? Handling props in TypeScript, you need to learn about interface. You create an interface, then you use that interface in the prop. Pass that interface in the prop. RS Deepak, bro, you alone as you are streaming late night. I live with my family. They are sleeping right now, my parents. Farhan, Kubernetes but manual type, voila. Yeah, something like that. I'll close this, close this, close this. क्लोज दिस। एक्चुअली सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी का यही इशूज होता है, वो लोग के पास डेवलपमेंट का ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट होता नहीं है पुराने। लाइक मैं तो ऐसे टेक स्टैक में काम है जो 50 साल पुराना था, तो क्या फ़ायदा वो सब करके। क्लोज दिस। ओके, खुरान कितना मिलता था? लाइक मैं एग्जैक्ट तो नहीं बोल सकता, बट इट वाज अराउंड, लाइक जो टैक्स स्लैब होता नहीं है एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान को टैक्स देने के लिए जितना अमाउंट होता है उतना था। हिमांशु, भैया आई वांट टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस एंड आई वांट टू मेक एन एंड टू एंड प्रोडक्ट थिंग्स happens like I forget like syntax while coding and then I have to take help. It lowers my confidence. Any suggestions? See, Himanshu, see, first of all, you need to understand that you cannot learn like mug up coding. Coding is not about mugging up. It is not your theoretical subject. It's about understanding the flow. If you can see, first of all, you have to be very good in a programming language like JavaScript or anything. Then you have to understand the flow of the application, how your data is going from point A to point B. If you can understand that, then you can just convert your logic to code. RS Deepak, your separate room, your voice doesn't reach to them. No, yes, I have a separate room. I actually live in the top floor. So yeah. फरहान, कितना होता है? मुझे तो जानना है जॉब पर। लाइक लाइक मैं एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट नहीं बोल सकता। राजवंत सर, वेयर आई कैन लर्न हाउ टू बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट, ऑल्सो टेल मी वेयर आई कैन फाइंड इंटर्नशिप जॉब एज अ फ्रेशर। How to build project? See, you can go to YouTube, you can search MERN stack, and you can learn MERN stack. That will help you build projects, and then you can learn about how to build good applications, how to structure your applications, learn those things. And internship, you can learn, use online platform like LinkedIn, Internshala, then Naukri.com, all those platforms. I am I am Al Shahad. Hello, I am Al Shahad. Welcome to my stream. भाई कृपया अपना गिटहब खाते का लिंक प्रदान करें। इतनी खड़ी हिंदी। दिस इज सी, गिटहब का लिंक मेरे स्ट्रीम के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। अगर नहीं मिल रहा है आपको तो ये है मेरा गिटहब प्रोफाइल, अभिषेक 10600 ये मेरा यूज़र नेम है। यू कैन सर्च आइडिया टॉनिक कम 07। हेलो आइडिया टॉनिक, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम। भाई मैं भी फाइनल ईयर में कंफ्यूज हूँ, कोर में जाऊँ या आईटी, बिकॉज माई बैकग्राउंड इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी, क्या करूँ? सी, आई विल सजेस्ट दैट यू गो फॉर कोर सी एस। लाइक इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम विच बैकग्राउंड, हूँ मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफ यू आर फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हैज़ गुड डिमांड इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज लाइक फॉर चिप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज। यू कैन, इफ यू आर स्किल्ड एनफ, यू कैन गेट अ जॉब देयर एंड दे पे रियली वेल। फरहान, 4 LP का कितना मिलेगा फिर? काफ़ी कम मिलता है ब्रो, काफ़ी कम मिलता है। आई एम मलशाद भाई, कृष्णा भाई कृपया अपना गिटहब खाता लिंक, या मैं गिटहब आपको मेरे स्ट्रीम के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। हिमांशु, एंड भैया आई स्ट्रगल अलॉट इन वेबसाइट UI, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक आई स्ट्रगल put my expectations in code. Any help? See, you should learn about basic wireframing with your code. What you can do is that just think, for example, this is your browser page, right? Think how to build a navbar, how to center grids, you know, something like that, how to build a sidebar, then how to have a footer, how to show content in sidebar. Try to build this. If you can build this on your own, just make this a static thing. Don't add any database or any backend. Just build this. This will help you understand your front end code really well. Okay. कुणाल राणा भाई 8 सेम ओवर होने वाला है, थोड़ा DSA थोड़ा मर्न आता है, पुअर बैकग्राउंड है, कोई इंटर्नशिप नहीं है, डिप्रेशन होता है बहुत, रात को नींद नहीं आती। येस कुणाल, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज़ अ वेरी अ बैड फेज आई कैन से, बिकॉज आई वंस वेंट थ्रू दिस, so what I'll say that work on your skills, learn, keep doing DSA like 1 to 2 questions every single day, and for the rest of the day build projects, like build real world projects, like good projects, then deploy them, and then get the deployed link in your resume, and then keep applying, and keep make your programming, like whatever programming language you're using, make sure you're very good in it. RS Deepak, good night bro, kal milte hain. Good night RS Deepak, thanks for joining this stream. Rajwant, please share your GitHub. Rajwant, as I said, my GitHub link in the description of this stream. If you check the description, find the GitHub. If not, this is my GitHub profile. Abhishek 16600. Mohammad Saifullah, hello Mohammad Saifullah, welcome to my stream. How are you? Aftab Faiz, AI यूज़ करो, कब तक कोडिंग करोगे? AI मैं फ्रंट एंड के लिए बस यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. अब बस अब रैप अप करेंगे, हो गया आज के लिए इतना. भैया DSA कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, कहाँ से पढ़ूँ प्लीज़? सी DSA you can go to YouTube, you can search whatever your topic is. There's this YouTube channel called Striver. Search Striver, you will get DSA resources there. Striver YouTube channel. Thanks Path, thanks for being the moderator man, it means a lot. Himanshu, no, like how to draw non-regular figures in UI with code. Non-regular figures, what like can you explain? भाई भैया DSA C++ कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ? स्ट्राइवर यूट्यूब चैनल में जाओ, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करो. फरहान, तुम्हारे रेपो में कॉन्ट्री कर सकता हूँ. हाँ मतलब इफ आई मेक दिस सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन ओपन सोर्स इन फ्यूचर, देन यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट. आर एस दीपक भाई, वन क्या क्या रेफरेंस है? रैंडम नंबर. आस्तिक गुप्ता भाई, आई एम DSA C++. आई हैव टू लर्न बैकएंड जावा स्प्रिंग करूँ. आई एम डूइंग DSA C++. आई हैव टू लर्न बैकएंड जावा स्प्रिंग करूँ या MERN? सही है, प्लीज़ बता दो. मैं तो बोलूँगा कि आप MERN से करो, बिकॉज MERN इज ईजी टू लर्न. Spring Boot has lots of configuration, and see, if you want to be a solo developer, then I will not suggest Spring Boot, because for solo developers Spring Boot is really heavy. I will suggest that you go for MERN stack. So alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining this stream, and if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning and be the best version of yourself. Guys, no spamming. Sure, thanks Path Gaming YT. Browsing. Startups hire for MERN. Big tech companies hire for Java. True. Himanshu, for example, I want to code irregular figure. What is irregular figure? Let's keep the chat. Okay. Astik Gupta. No. One question please. Yeah, ask your question. SK Trader. भाई रुक जा, मैं तो अभी आया. What is your question, SK Gupta? And SK Traders, I mean. And Astik Gupta, what's your question? Farhan, bye Farhan, thanks for joining the stream. Pacman, I want to learn system design for pen testing. What should I learn? There's this YouTube channel called Piyush Garg. He teaches system design really well. You can learn from there. Himanshu, like a wave or something. See, that for that you need to be very good in CSS. Your CSS should be next level. I do these things with AI. Astik Gupta, bhaiya, I have to learn for placement. I am in 3rd year. What I have to do? MERN and Java, which is better for placements? See, if you already know Java, then I will suggest go for MERN stack. And if you don't know Java, then I'll suggest go with MERN stack. I mean, if you know Java, go for Spring Boot. If you don't know Java, then go for MERN stack. Simple. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining, and please appreciate Path Gaming YT for being a good moderator, and I'll see you in the next stream, and keep learning and keep becoming the best version of